And good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, guys. Yeah, we're a bit different today.
Yes, we're
We
different.
look all square and stuff. No, we're missing our emojis.
I know, we're missing our emojis.
They're pending.
Chris decided to update them yesterday, and I was like, no, don't do it. He did it.
Good morning, Friar. Good morning, C.
Good morning to both of you.
I see you guys are a bit confused. And yes, you have a VIP thingy, Friar, because, you know, you're a VIP. And Bligger Games, good morning. Hey, you guys, and good morning. Nice to see you here. We're going to be doing some game there.
No.
No?
Not really. No, we're just going to look at dogs. That's the only reason we're here, right?
I see we're very backlit today.
Yeah, I can close that a bit.
But it's just so bright.
It is, actually. And the desk is too far up.
Oh. Well, how am I supposed to fit in frame with this?
You can't fit in frame.
All right.
And good morning, Nick.
Good morning, Nick. How are you doing? We're heading over to our desktop.
No.
We have, if you click on Unity, we might be able to actually do something.
Oh, did you actually? Oh, you have booted up Unity for some reason. There you go.
Right.
Oh, hello. We added in fog.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Z. We have been adding in the what is it called again?
Volume. No.
The height fog.
Height fog. That's it.
Yes.
The
from the asset store, and that actually is really cool. You know, and we got it working really well.
Yeah.
But we still got some more work to do on it, especially for autumn and winter. We haven't done it yet.
But actually, we had it yesterday. It magically disappeared, and we had no idea why.
Yeah.
So if you know,
Oh, and hello, Tenshi.
Hello, Tenshi. Good morning.
Good morning.
Or afternoon or evening.
Yes, that one.
One of the above.
It's both depth and height, yes. So we need to fix it for our springtime because it's further into the ground.
Yes.
So it goes a bit deep because this fog is, changes. But yeah, I think we got something, which looks quite nice, at least when you're a bit up close.
Close and personal.
And we've also been redoing our post-processing. Things for Unity 2019.3 starting to work.
Yes.
Yeah.
It is.
And
slowly.
Please let us know if anything is strange with our stream today because everything is kind of new.
Everything is different.
So, and I'm streaming from different software, from OBS with the live extension from Stream Elements, etc.
Friar's like height fog equals floor cloud, and all I'm thinking about is the cloud forest that we saw when we went to Singapore. It's just like this like cloud just around like the top, and it was like woo. It was really cool.
That was magical place.
That was magical. See what was on Notion today?
What's on Notion?
It was on Notion.
Let's
I don't
have
know
a little
what we were
look.
doing. I think we were trying to fix our save system, which we haven't been doing. We've been doing lots of other stuff.
Let's see. We are yes, we had a bug last time with where was it? The saving.
Save and state. Yes. And I came up with an idea in the middle of the night, because that's normally when you come up with really awesome ideas, that we should just disable the little pips instead of destroying them, and that will solve our problem.
Of course, that made perfect sense for everybody.
For everybody, yeah.
Should we check in on the dogs today? How you doing, doggies? Oh, that is a sleepy team.
The sleepy team. The sleepy team.
Oh, hello.
Good morning. They're sleeping today.
And you will also see, like, we have switch or testing out Stream Elements, like little point system where you can buy dog cuddles and dog treats. But, you know, we will see how that works out. And you guys let us know if it's functioning.
There was a ground cloud when I was out walking a week ago. I walked into it.
Whoa, was it like swirling around your feet?
Or did you just get like super wet?
You don't get ground clouds in this area.
No, we don't.
No, or not that much fog in general.
No.
But a bit further up also fjord, it's quite common to have a lot of fog.
But we did have it when we used to live in Horton, in your parents' house, where it looked like sometimes we were flying because you could just see the clouds below. And we're like, yay, we're in a nice plane. And it's like, no, you're not.
Yeah, they were like on a hilltop, so sometimes you couldn't see the houses below.
Doggo cuddles have been redeemed.
They've been redeemed, but they've been redeemed from the Twitch channel points.
Gonna have to do it then.
Are you redeeming?
Yeah.
Claire's redeeming.
I'm redeeming. Morris is upset he hasn't had snuggles this morning.
Oh. Don't see the doggo treat option. Yeah, it's because it's in the stream elements. You can also write like exclamation redeem treat, I think. I should make those chat commands like come up.
Oh, wants a head massage.
Yeah, so if I write redeem cuddle, it says here that the dog treats cost 1,000 hearts, you only have 30. Yeah, sorry guys, you need to re-earn your points because we're starting from 0. We'll see how this goes. And if it's too expensive, we will need to readjust it. But I think we're being generous with the points. Oh, that's a snuggle cairn.
Yeah, he's really enjoying it. Okay, you jealous, Winky? You want a head massage as well?
Yeah, I don't know the command file for checking your current points. Okay, I need to write this down. Because this is on my list of I need to figure out.
Dogs really love head massages.
Okay. Too bad they don't integrate with the normal Twitch points. Yeah, no, that would be so good. But it actually does integrate much better into our overlay, so it will like come up with like a notification and everything. So that's why I'm testing it out to see if it will be a nice one. Yeah, you know it's exclamation points. Yeah, that's the command. See, here we have an experienced person. Hello, Chromacy, how are you doing this morning? Thank you.
We're supposed to be doing game dev.
ASAP. What are the names of the dogs? Ooh, you know what? We have got their name on screen because we think it's important. If I switch over here, you can see on the, well, far end, Moritz and Winky. Moritz being the white can.
Winky.
Winky being a little chihuahua. I use stream elements to stream as well. I'm doing great. That's nice. Do you stream game dev? Because I need to check you out now.
Sorry, I'm just playing with Winky right now. Can you play for Yeah, Winky go to game dev. No? Okay. Savage little cheat. Oh, yeah.
I stream Valorant and Rainbow Six Siege. All right, so not quite game dev, I guess, but games. Gaming, yeah. Have you set up a merch store yet? It's free. I've been thinking about it, but we are not there yet. No. One thing at a time. And today we're doing quite a lot of stuff.
We're doing lots of stuff today.
Was that a good dog or cuddle redeem?
I think it was. Winky really got into it, and she's upset
now. Nick was talking about. I'll dive into this to see if you can hook up the points as well. Yes, that'd be really cool.
That'd be really neat. Nick has his little icon, his little subscriber icon thingy.
I fixed subscriber icons. I might want to add those to the Doggo Cam too. Or the points redeem thingy. I don't know. The image and names.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, no.
Oh, onto the other version.
Yeah, so you know it's Morris and Winky.
Oh, that would be a good idea.
Good idea. I'm noting that down.
If you make a game, release it. Maybe I can be a bug tester.
Oh yes.
Oh, thank you, Chroma Cry.
And that's happening soon.
Yes.
Because it doesn't happen today.
No.
But we almost got our itch page ready.
Almost.
So we get into the beta stage of our game.
Thank you for the follow.
Chromacy.
Chroma Cry. No, it's Chroma Cry.
Chroma Cry.
Chroma Cry.
Sorry, I can't read.
And unfortunately, emojis aren't working today because Chris decided to update them.
Yeah, there's supposed to be Snuti Wave and Snuti Love, and
And for some reason, they take way too long to update.
Yeah.
Pen and review. I should probably.
And hello, Point Separator.
Hello, Point Separator.
Good morning. Nice to see you here. Hope you're doing good. Don't mind any pronunciations. I'm used to it. Yeah. I bet.
What's this game genre? It's a cute little adventure game.
Yeah. Since my voice disappeared.
Because his voice disappeared.
But yeah, it's a little strawberry. He's trying to find his place in life, and he goes around making friends and goes rafting.
Mostly rafting.
Well, yeah, quite a bit of rafting. And he's lost his little family. He needs to go around and find them. And there's like a little story, and it's quite a short game. I think you can play it like in 20 minutes.
Did we lose a raft? I think we lost a raft.
Lost a raft?
I think we lost a raft. There you go.
Was only one raft there?
Yeah, it was only one raft.
Then the other one is falling into the
into the water.
Into the water, because I moved it a bit forward the other day.
I received the pip. Woo!
Okay, so that's the bug we need to work on.
Yes.
Because if you save the game right now after you pick that guy up,
he's gonna like just bug out.
It's going to try to save the state of all dialogues, which, he's a dialogue giving you a pip, but he got deleted afterwards. Oh, we're lagging? No, it's fine.
No.
And since it was deleted, we're saving the state of something which don't exist.
And
so
also Unity is upset.
Yeah. So we need to make sure we don't delete him, we just deactivate him.
Yes, which is what I came up with in the middle of the night, which I was trying to explain it wrong and I didn't explain it very well. So thank you, Christopher, for the better explanation.
So the point and the objective of the game is kind of, follow
Find
the story and go explore.
Oh, find your family, really.
Yeah.
But it's also like side objective. You can't just like speedrun it.
And Point Separator says it's fine. I hope you are too. And yes, we are very much.
How is everybody else today? And hello, Bizmaster Studios. He asked the same question I asked. So yeah.
He's ahead of you.
Look, Bizmaster, a bit tired, but otherwise awesome. How about you, says Z? Whoops.
We going rafting again, are we?
I just wanted to go rafting.
You're gonna find the lost raft somewhere down here.
I'm trying. Yeah, I think I'd like to find it. There's
the ball.
Yeah, I threw that in. It'll be fun.
You're such a rebel.
I am such a rebel. I like doing that. But what's is that just? Oh, it's just bugging out there. That wasn't the raft. No, that's just hello. Hello. It's gonna leave you to it.
Maybe the raft is.
There it is.
That's there it is. Yeah, okay, it's gone downriver.
Downriver. Okay, let me help you out, river. Yeah. Okay. Oh, it does. No.
That seems to be working great.
Yes.
I like
Is this going to be multiplayer? No.
I wish. But at the moment, we're just trying to be realistic about what type of game we can make. Yeah. We were supposed to make this game in a relatively short time. It's taken a much longer time than we expected. But we're learning a lot. Yeah.
Basically. So let's open up.
Bizmaster is good, thanks. Got busy this morning putting audio stuff in my demo. Alright, that's good.
That's super neat.
Yeah, spend some time watching some sports.
It's back on in Australia. Well, that is super neat. What sport were you watching?
The Australian sport. This kangaroo boxing. No. I don't know.
Rugby or football?
Definitely rugby.
Oh, please say rugby.
Did something about the shaders change? The game looks more colorful. We have changed the post-processing. I'm not sure if I'm just seeing things. You are seeing... No, you're not just seeing things. It's real.
It's real.
Yeah, so because since we did the upgrade to 2019.3, we lost all post-processing and had to redo it. Yeah. Well, we did manage to copy a lot of it, but we decided to tweak it.
Yes, and we've been working on that the last 2 days.
And is that Java? No, this is C#. Nick saying, the next game will be a rafting-only spin-off.
Well, it is going to be water-based at least, so... is that Java? No, it's C#, just as Mr. Nick says. An Australian football league.
Kangaroo boxing. And thank you for following Shatoshki1.
Thank you for the follow. It's nice to hear that the sport's gone back on again now.
Yeah.
Because we saw the other day, I think it was on Twitter, was it in South Korea that they were doing baseball or some sport in front of loads of plushies, and I just thought that was absolutely hilarious.
And thank you for the 100 bits Point Separator. I had some buns with strawberry jam for breakfast now, and I feel sad about it. But it was delicious.
Thank you so much for the bits.
Cute and sweet things in life, they are delicious.
They are.
But you gotta be careful with them as well, to not hurt their feelings.
Thank you so much, Point Separator. And I hope you did enjoy your Nomi strawberry jam buns. And now I want one as well.
Yeah. I like colourful. So
I say the change is great. Oh, thank you so much. Prayer. You just donated to the Buried Damages Fund.
Yeah, Nick is also participating in that. With
some bon maman.
Bon maman he has for breakfast, which is a jam he has.
This is a jam he has. It's a French jam. Yeah.
A French jam, okay.
Yeah.
Thing is, we in Norway aren't familiar with this brand.
No. I tried to find it and they don't sell it. And I got sad.
Apparently, Bizmaster Studios talking about koala boxing is way more entertaining. The grumpy...
When they come off their eucalyptus line. Okay. Is it genuinely a sport or is this just like a joke?
That must be a joke. Berry damages fund. That's now a thing.
Donate to the berry damages fund.
Yeah. I guess the berries are looking more tasty too with the new colors.
Well, this blueberry looks juicy.
Claire?
What?
Hold your horses now. We're supposed to fix bugs.
I know, I've got the file open now.
Okay.
Do we destroy them here? No, we don't.
Right.
What do we do?
No, so I think it's in dialogue script itself.
Is it in the dialogue script?
Yeah, because we're really logical of like where we do things. Everything's like all over the place. Give pickup, destroy, find.
Where does it destroy? Oh yeah, there you go.
But you know what?
What?
It only destroys the ragdoll. If self-destruct is true, destroy its ragdoll.
Okay, so I need to see
so we
this.
might
then.
already
I need to
have
see
thought
this.
about this.
But what does it leave behind? That is a big question.
The character without this ragdoll. Because ragdolls are important.
Jam. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this, pick this one up, and then.
Oh, Tenchi has decided to join my first game jam since last time. That's awesome.
That is awesome.
I'm so glad to hear that, since that was also our first game jam when we got back to game dev in 2019. It was such a good time.
Oh, we loved it.
And I think they had a nice Discord community as well. I mean,
no, we didn't join on Discord. They had a nice forum, I think. Or did they have a Discord?
They had a Discord too. But it's very inactive during the non-jam seasons. But once the jam starts, it gets a lot of activity.
Yep. Don't say jam around here. You'll scare the berries.
Awesome.
It's okay. It's okay. If you say game jam, the berries will be happy. They'll be satisfied.
Yeah. And if anybody's wondering what game jam is, just ask. And Chroma says, what do you plan to make in the future? We plan to make an ice cream boat game. No, how can you say it?
Yeah, it's an ice cream boat game.
Okay, so in Norway we have a thing that, a lot of boats are going around, in the local sea. And, they need ice cream. So there's like little ice boats driving around and selling ice creams to boats. This makes no sense. Yeah, okay, I think that's a better search. See, that guy.
This little guy.
Yeah.
Selling lots of ice cream on a
We're
boat.
making a game about that. Because this is
not this dude, but this thing.
It's like the best childhood memories I have is when the ice cream boat came around.
Oh, yeah. I've never experienced. Have I experienced it?
No.
I haven't experienced it. No, I'm upset about this.
Yeah. It's a very Norwegian thing, I think.
Pitfall or clone. Sphere, kiddo. So this is the wrong one, is it? No, it's this one. Okay. This is just a clone here. I'm trying to find where the original one went.
It's because you paused the game now, right?
Yeah, so it was in characters, wasn't it?
It should be something you talk with. So doesn't he have a specific name?
I can put dialogue on. No.
If you write with capital D, you'll find all dialogue things. Right, so there we have.
I don't see. He is destroy.
No, Summer Pip Pickup Island. Bottom one.
Where's that?
That one.
That one. Okay. That's the other one. He hasn't been picked up yet. This one's gone.
Why is it the one on the island then?
Because that's the one I've not picked it up. I've picked up the one which is quite.
In the corner.
Yeah, in the corner.
Sorry, I didn't know.
Maybe I should figure out what the name of that one is called first.
Yeah, or try to hunt it down in the hierarchy, and maybe don't maximize on play.
Okay. Well, now I can see it here.
Okay.
We'll work on it. Yeah, it's visiting autumn area. No, that's not it.
You can just click on him.
I'll just click on him. He's a summer pickup log. He disappeared. Okay, I'm gonna copy this name. And I'm not gonna maximize on play. Where is that button? Where's it gone?
It's in the game.
Oh, it's here.
Okay.
We're getting there.
Okay. and Tenchi doesn't know if it's going to join my first game jam, but a game jam.
Oh yeah.
Too much jam now.
Too much jam. It's getting jammy.
My game will be called Juicer of the Night. No, Bizmaster, don't.
No, don't do it. It's cruelty to berries.
Everything is better when selling it from boats. Duh. Yeah, of course. Especially ice cream on a warm summer day. So ice cream boat, yeah. Only seeing an ice cream truck. Oh, that's the difference around here. You'll find ice cream boats as well.
We have mostly the trucks, but
Chromacy thinks it's kawaii. Okay, I'm seeing chat messages appear on stream before I see them in chat somehow. Yes, okay. Thank you for telling me about that, because there is actually a delay for mod interaction, and then I need to turn on the delay here, and I didn't know if I needed to up that number or not. I saw it. I'll note that down. Increase chat delay on screen. There's like 4 seconds intentionally added there for mods to deal with things.
Okay, so deleting the ragdoll deletes the debug and everything. Deletes the dialogue.
Okay, that is wrong.
So we don't want that.
Can we figure out maybe what's doing that then? So if
that's the script here.
Okay, so I made a button, Visual Studio.
Okay.
And you can minimize and maximize Visual Studio with we got a Stream Deck. I'm so happy with the Stream Deck. It's an awesome device.
And I'm learning so many new things. I just keep pressing buttons all the time because like, stop pressing buttons. I'm like, I'm trying to be good on stream and not press random buttons.
Yeah.
That's what. Yeah. Yeah. So because we're destroying the ragdoll, and if we have a look,
but maybe it's not that destroy which is happening. Maybe there's another destroy.
But the thing is that the ragdoll has, what does it have? Like, I couldn't find...
It's only the character.
It's only the character, yeah.
So it must be something else as well destroying it.
No, but let me just get rid of this. No,
I would say don't touch that.
Don't touch it. But the thing is the dialogue is being removed.
Yeah, maybe
the dialogue was being removed together with the ragdoll, which I thought was a bit strange.
But if you go back to C# here, so the give pickup obviously doesn't not do that.
No, it shouldn't be destroying the dialogue, at least. No.
But maybe the player interact script or something does it?
Maybe.
Like, because we're really logical. Or the player pickup. If you look at this script, can you just control click that, can't we?
Yes. Yeah. Ooh.
And new follower, restore follower.
No, there's nothing about removing it here.
No, that was a very minimal
Could it
script.
be in this? No, not in the save game. Dialogue?
Do not learn coding from us, guys, because we have very bad structure. And this is proof of it right now.
I'm AFK for some time. Bye for now. Okay.
Right, have a good 1 point separator.
Thank you for joining us for a little bit.
Yes.
Hope you come back soon.
I hope you have a nice day in the meantime.
I think everyone's upset about the fact that our emotes aren't working today.
And Polar Junction is saying hello.
No, Z is saying...
Yeah, and...
Where? Polar Junction, I didn't say that. Hello. Hello, is this like point separated Polar Junction? I just got confused. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. But I don't understand why the dialogue is getting destroyed. Maybe it's in the dialogue script itself.
Chroma Cry was writing earlier, so you need to wander around and collect strawberries. Yeah, kinda. I mean, it's not a very action-packed game. It's more about the world and the characters in it and the conversations you're having and little story. We were not sure if that part is really good neither, so we're working on it.
I don't know where this is being removed in the first place.
Maybe we should just search for destroy.
Dude, it says game object.
Yeah, we do find...
Time object.
Find the ragdoll, then we destroy the game object, which will be...
So that deletes the entire object, but you think it's just a ragdoll?
No.
No, it's not deleting...
It's the child. It finds that child and will delete that, not the parent. Yeah.
The parent is still there. But the problem is the dialogue keeps getting removed.
Or the parent gets destroyed.
Oh, self-destruct there.
No, but that's if you look back at the script. Right? Oops. Yeah, click on that. Then if self-destruct, then it goes to transform find ragdoll dot game object destroy.
I think we shouldn't be destroying it.
Okay, we can try to disable that line and see if it fixes it.
Transform.find. Do as we say, not as we do.
Exactly. See, it's like, do not use this function. Remember?
What, the transform.find?
Yeah, you should be using it sparingly.
Yeah.
Except if you're coding with Claire and Krister.
Yeah, but I think we should just be disabling it, not...
Yeah, but let's try. Yeah, we can do set active false.
Exactly.
But just try it like this.
Okay.
Because I think it's something else destroying it.
Well, probably. But, yeah, Krister ain't so good at it. What on earth are you upset about here? Okay. Oops. Run, wee. I'm just gonna be making all the wee sounds now. So, yeah, he's
still there?
He's still there.
Okay, so maybe Nick is right. I thought he found a component, my bad.
But the dialogue is still deleted.
Really?
Yeah. But what we could do is...
So the dialogue component is gone?
Yes. I don't know why it's getting destroyed.
That is interesting. Or maybe it's in stop conversation. So you can't talk again or something unless it's supposed to be talking again.
Let's have a look. Where's stop conversation again?
So maybe include that line. Because I'm pretty sure that line is correct, but we can also just deactivate.
I think we'll deactivate it for the time being for debugging.
Okay.
I thought you found the component. My bad. Didn't know it was a separate object.
Yeah.
Yep. What am I looking for? Stop conversation?
Yeah.
Finish entire conversation. Okay.
Right.
If self-destruct, destroy this.
I'll say, suggesting here, should we search for the word destroy? It is right there. Do you guys like the font size on the stream now?
I'm just gonna cry. I'm just gonna cry.
Because we've been using the UI scale on Unity, and I also zoomed up VS Code a little bit, so it's easier to read things on screen. Hopefully.
Should we be disabled?
That should most certainly.
It's okay, Claire. It's okay. Thank you, Z. Thank you, Z. Thank you.
So it seems we found our bug.
Seems we found our bug. But it still doesn't. We just need to set the other one as inactive then.
Yeah, or we can include the other line, delete this line.
I don't know whether that will really fix it, but sure.
I think that's gonna fix it. Isn't it at the bottom?
I don't remember. Where is it again?
I think it's at the bottom.
Girls.
There it is. You went past it.
Scroll. There you go.
Yeah, our scripts are too long as well.
Yeah, our scripts are way too long.
And they do way too many things compared to what they're supposed to.
What I wanted to figure out was on the player, is it the player pickup or the save game? Player pickup, I think it is.
Nick suggesting
followers.
But I think it might work now. Just try the game.
Okay,
Shift F12 on destroy. What does Shift F12 though do? Is that like a shortcut in give you all clickable navigation? Okay.
You just gonna turn off our
I think you need
now?
to have, for example, that one selected. I said like Shift F12. Look at that. We're learning things and shortcuts.
Things. Shortcut. Shortcut help. Thank you, Nick. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm not well versed in the shortcuts of Visual Studio at all.
But Chris is very good at things like Premiere and After Effects on the other hand.
I know my shortcuts there.
Yeah. So the only thing is, can we just reload or
display?
No, but the thing is if we're gonna try and do the save thingy, how can we test that without going to the main menu?
We need to go to the main menu.
That's what I thought.
You're thinking ahead.
But I don't know whether we can. Can we just do that? Just load what we currently have?
No, that's gonna break.
No, that's gonna.
Because the save file is corrupted.
The contrast.
Yeah, on the chat.
On the chat names is horrendous.
And everybody has blue names. Does everybody have blue names?
Does everybody have blue names? No, they don't have all blue names. Or is it just because Z and Nick have been chatting? But that's the same color.
I need to investigate this.
New game.
No, Tenchi does not have a blue name. Right, we need to name contrast.
Everybody with blue names.
Find all references. Very useful. Do you write -all or do we write -all?
Oh, I'm confused. Oh, yeah. Hey, I'm gonna pick this one up and save. Okay. No, they didn't get eaten. See, they're right here. See? Pick them up already. Okay, so he got destroyed there. Press save. Main menu. Continue.
Okay, we're restoring the save. And we now have more. Do you see that?
He's still there.
Yeah, because we haven't made the state in the save file probably where we make them spawn as deactivated.
Yeah, that's true.
So that's a way to cheat in the game apparently right now.
So you can just have unlimited berries.
Let's not give this game to Let's Game It Out.
Nope, that would be a bad idea.
If anybody know Let's Game It Out in YouTube, he would have found every exploit possible and he had 1 million pips out walking after you until the frame rate is like through the roof.
Break his computer.
Yes. Maybe he'll be like setting up an automated script just to like save and load and make more pips.
Pretty much.
You can define color in the settings for the chat widget and remove that dark blue. Okay, thank you, Nick.
Can you do that?
I'll have to investigate that.
Yeah, Chris is gonna have to research that because I didn't know that. Chris is like writing everything.
Yeah, we have lots of things to fix with our stream.
But thank you everybody for the tips. I just sorry, I got just like hand cream on your mouse. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Yeah, what were we gonna do again? I forgot.
Oh, Nick was trying to explain what Shift F12 does.
Oh.
But obviously he's like 3 minutes behind.
Yeah, that's true.
Sorry, Nick.
That can be closed. Starters. We were gonna do it. That it is but that's gonna be in the save game where we got the restore state. Where's the restore state? Is this restore game state? Refresh references.
But when we even save it, do we save the fact that they are deactivated?
I don't know.
So here we're talking about like we are restoring their entry index has switched number of times spoken, but not like inactive. Do we need one state for it?
But they're not set as inactive, they're just set as destroyed.
What is has switch? Oh, I switched to a second conversation. Yeah, I think we need one more option.
Here.
Yeah.
Because we do have it here, don't we? Give pickup.
Yeah, but we need to have like I think an active Boolean as well.
Yeah. But then should we be putting that in the dialogue then, yes. I guess? Yeah.
Next to like entry index and also from the top.
Up here.
No, in the other script.
Is it in the script?
It'll be on top of this one. Right here. Yes.
I like scrolling to irritate Krister.
Call your horses. If you go down a bit, it was there. There. Right?
Bool has switched. Okay.
So you can do another one there with like is alive.
Is alive?
It's not a good. That's pretty obvious.
Is pickup alive?
Like, it's okay. We can do is active. Oh wait a second, we have one.
Is active.
Yeah, but what does that active refer to? It's referring to the dialogue being active or something like that, isn't it?
Is active return. I would assume so.
Or maybe that's the one we want. Okay, just see where it's used more.
Okay. It's used there.
So
start conversation.
It becomes active when the conversation starts, and then it goes inactive when the conversation stops. We don't want that.
No.
We need an alive.
Okay, is alive. Is alive.
Yes, I got my will.
Is alive equals to true, and then we put it to false. No, false then true. How do we want to set it first?
It should be true.
Okay.
Right, because default value is always true. Unless when we're being restored and it says otherwise in the save file.
That's true.
Yeah.
Did you say Alt F4? No.
I would like to give tips, but I probably know less code than the dogs. Right. But you're welcome to do some tips on how the game looks or how our stream looks. So
yes.
Appreciate it.
We appreciate anything.
Alt F4 is currently on the way to exit out of my game. Yes, that's true, Nick.
Nick, you need an exit button. You need to improve your UI.
Such a classic new move to forget the quit button.
Yep.
Step 1. 1 and 0. Step 2. Make engine say hello world. Step 3. You made Final Fantasy 17. Right?
Woo!
That's exactly how game dev goes. Especially on this stream.
Well, we're not making Final Fantasy 17.
No, we're making Pip 17. No.
Pip 17. We're on Pip 17 already. Woo!
If I'm not wrong, the more delay the stream has, the less CPU usage is needed. Are we having any lag or anything like that? Because I don't think we are. Are we like 20%?
CPU's at 20%.
20%.
So.
I think we're good.
Woo! So it's alive. It's alive. Where are you going to go then? So, all the birds are making lots of tweet tweet sounds. It's like, I like that. Should we put it here then as well?
Yes.
What are we setting it to?
False.
False.
The other option when it's a Boolean, there's 2 options.
Oh, I thought there was 10 options. I thought you could choose between like falsy, false,
truthy,
false or something. You know, lots of typos. No, okay. Then we can go into a save game, and then we can say here.
So is this in the? We need.
This is the restore game state.
Okay, we need to do it other places as well.
Oh, okay. Where else do we need to put it?
well, obviously it doesn't get saved automatically. It needs to be included in the save file.
It needs to be included in the save file.
We're here now.
Yeah, okay.
Just do that one.
Dialogue dot that is equal to. What's the dialogue that we don't get? Game date? Well, what are we storing it as?
It'll be
dialogue state.
Dialogue state.
Dialogue state.
Dot is alive.
Is alive.
So dialogue state is a property of the game data, and if you can control click game data, I think, to see where it comes from. No, that's okay. Or that one. Can you not do that?
It just goes to the top.
Okay. Can you like control click that var? There we go.
There you go.
Right. So in the dialogue state, we need to include another one. Then there.
Is alive, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is alive. Nope. Stream is fine. Woo! Define it, and I'll make a bool 10 type for you.
Nick is being generous. You can have you falsy and truthy and falter and.
You can have it can be typo.
Yes.
Typo friendly. Typo friendly. I like this. I think it's important to make sure that typos are
They'll
accepted
accept
as
yes
well.
and no and stop right there and carry on. I'm feeling good today, and now I'm having a sob.
Oh no.
I'm so upset we don't have our emojis for stream today.
I know, I'm so upset about it.
Right.
But at least Z and Nick are contributing with a little
we have the emojis here at least. You know?
Yeah. But I don't understand why those ones that you made for the what do you call it? The subs. No, the subs.
Yeah, why they don't need...
Why didn't they need any pending or like...
You know, when you upload those, it does a special like, do you have permission to use these images? Do not upload copyrighted material.
Oh, okay.
But when you upload the chat emotes...
they don't have that.
They don't do that. Why not?
That's just weird. Stream title, The Bool with 10 states. I like that.
I'm noting that one down.
Oh, and Tenchi is like just a strawberry emoji. Is this close enough? It's awesome, Tenchi. That's a good replacement for today.
That is a very good replacement for today. It even looks really nice in our chat here. Is this camera flipped from what it usually is? Because I'm pointing the opposite direction. Yeah, because usually I point towards the dogs, and I will usually point at the dogs. So it's opposite of what I'm used to. Okay. Because we're in the bottom left, we're usually in the bottom right. That's why I'm so confused.
Yes. Morris to the beard. Oh, he's lying on the stump there. It's
Dog
weak, but give me more to work with. Okay, Nick, we're gonna cut on more stuff.
I'm fixing dog cam.
I'm fixing dog camera.
Yeah, hello. Good morning. I feel like I could camera in my face. But I got snuggles. This makes me happy. Oh, thank you. Thank you for the snuggles.
She looks perturbed now.
Yeah.
Alright. Suddenly she
I'm perturbed.
maximized.
I'm maximized. Hello.
I'm up and ready to take on the
Good
day.
morning, everybody. Today I'm going to be cutting Christopher the Shuck, so yeah. I'm going to do a little stream for them.
Did you find here the save part of it, did you?
Does it save my game?
Yeah, perfect. Was it right there?
Right there.
Line 62 after there.
I didn't even know that. I just randomly scrolled down.
That's awesome. I thought you'd been working hard to find this place.
So, did we put it's alive? Yeah, that was alive. There you go. I feel like there's red text in my face.
Yes.
Dialogue.is alive.
That is thanks to Bar Raider, which is a really cool stream as well. He showed me that extension for Visual Studio, which puts like inline error checking, like semicolon expected in red.
Sorry.
I deleted it.
You deleted it.
I wanted to demonstrate.
You deleted my semicolon.
Yeah. But anyway, Bar Raider does some really cool stuff. He works a lot on extensions for the Stream Deck. So he has like lots of stuff for the Stream Deck.
So if you have a Stream Deck, use it.
Yeah.
I'm leaning forward a lot today. That's not good.
You're sitting on a different chair, that's why.
I know. I do that.
You comfy?
Yeah, I'm comfy.
Do you want me to move the chair a bit forward?
No.
Okay.
The best Visual Studio extensions, power mode. What is it?
That sounds dangerous to me.
That does sound dangerous.
Does it enable Power Rangers, or is it like you don't understand what's going on anymore?
Yeah, have we done everything now then? We've added in the save my game.
We've try.
Added it in the thingy.
I think so.
We've added it into this thingy, and we've added it into the thingy.
The thingy. How many thingy jars did you trigger at once?
I don't know. Z says check it out. It's awesome.
Okay. I'm gonna Google it.
Chris is gonna Google it.
Claire doesn't have to get distracted.
I don't get distracted. Power mode. Okay, I'm gonna press play now.
There's power mode with a space and power mode without the space. Which one am I looking for? Oh, we should use that.
Oh my gosh! Okay,
you need to install this right away.
Yeah, we need to install this right
Thank
away.
you, C.
Okay, we're gonna do this.
That's the one.
The save file is not important.
That's the one without the
manage
space.
extensions. That's without the space?
I used the one with the space. I think that one is even better.
Power mode. Okay. With great power comes great responsibility. Thing in the thing in the thing in the thingy.
Yes. That's how we roll on the stream.
Why do I not find it here? It was power mode, right?
Sort by relevance.
Most downloads? No, okay, it's not there. What? Where did you find it? Power mode.
Yeah. Are you sure that search is working?
Did you work? Power
Mode?
I think it's just doing the first word. Let's just do that then. I got this one.
That's close enough. We can use that one.
We want the other one. Do you have the name of the dude?
Cody Hoover.
No, that's the one I've got here now.
No.
Is it? The one I had here was...
What was it? Done it by the same guy.
Okay.
But I don't know why it's two different names for it. Do we need to restart? Alright.
No, we need to restart Visual Studio.
That's fine. We can live with that one.
Oh, the one I linked was VS Code. Well.
Did you link something? Because I didn't... Wait a second. Did we not approve it or something?
No.
There's nothing in the auto mod. I didn't see any link.
Maybe it's on thingamajiggy. Modify?
Yeah.
Yeah. Getting like random like...
It's okay, Lilivan.
On Discord, never mind then. He sent you on Discord.
Yeah, right. I'm not watching that.
Come on, does it take that long to modify? Oh, man. Specs.
Okay, it's done now. Oh, yeah, we don't have that spec set up.
No, we don't.
I don't remember the specs right now.
The specs of what?
The specs of our computer and stuff like that.
Um.
Well, I do remember it, but yeah.
Good specs?
Details. Didn't upgrade last autumn where I was building it myself.
Yes.
We should do most of our computer ourselves.
It's cheaper. We bought it before everything was more expensive.
True. Maybe I fix this bug now.
Maybe. This looks familiar. No, it doesn't. No, it's not your bush up there. Don't just ignore what you're saying to yourself.
I'm gonna note that down. Thank you, Chroma. I'm gonna say that we're gonna get the specs command.
Okay, there you go. Okay, let's save. I didn't want to open the old file just in case. Let's see. No errors. It's still there. Hello.
Okay, so you know what?
We got it.
It almost worked.
It almost worked.
Because we restored it, and if you pause play, we can do that with the pause button.
Woohoo!
Yes.
Yeah.
And now look at that little pip standing there.
That little pip standing there. Where on earth am I? I'm getting that. Ooh. Oops.
Okay, a bit too far. There we go. He will have the right value set, but he's not doing anything with this value.
Let's have a look.
Right, so he says it's alive, it's
alive there.
It's unchecked.
Yeah,
so it's false.
Mm.
But we're not doing anything with it. We are always supposed to
Yeah, because it
in
doesn't
his
appear.
Initialization, if it is alive is deactivated, you need to do what he did with the self-destruct command, basically.
Yes.
Maybe we should break out self-destruct to a function.
Function? No, we don't do functions. Do we do functions? No. Okay. Fine, I'll open up here in something else. Oh, don't you have that right-click button thingy that I don't have? There you go.
And by the way, guys, if you're missing any commands in the chat, etc., just try to write them and I will note down what your wishes are, so I'll have them available for next time.
Now it's just going to be spammed like lots of things. Need more berries.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. So.
And if anybody's wondering what we're up to today, you're welcome to ask. And yes, we have power mode.
Look at the combos.
Awesome.
The typer.
I love that. You get a combo.
I know I get a combo for it. Look at this. It's even a pixelized combo, guys. I mean, pixelated combo.
Am I allowed to type now?
Okay, I'll let you type just because it's so cool to do.
Okay, I'm gonna figure out how we're gonna.
I need to lean.
Yes.
Hey, new format. Hello, Bruid. Yes,
yes.
It is a new format.
Welcome to our new fresh stream layout.
We've just added the power mode extension into Visual Studio, so now we're gonna get loads and loads of combos.
And by the way, guys, feedback is welcome.
Yes.
This is not the final version of our stream. I'm still iterating on it and improving it. So let me know what you like, what you don't like.
It.
Yeah, in a constructive way, please. Right. So I was thinking the destroy part, which we found up here.
So what are we doing again?
Yeah, we don't know what we're doing.
We don't know what we're doing again.
Hmm.
We're trying to make it so that the pips is disabled.
Yeah, we have a bug with our save, which will break the game, and that's what we're
no longer breaking it now, though. Apparently.
No.
But yeah, is your overlay made in Stream Elements?
Yes.
Yes.
We're using some Stream Elements, and like these widgets, I'm not able. I coded them myself in the Stream Elements with like JavaScript and CSS, etc., and also the thing that pops up with follows, etc. So been going really custom.
I haven't seen that, but I guess it's been coming up.
You guys need to follow more.
I think it's because everybody who is here is already following us.
Yes.
Oh my god, that's horrible. Nick, creative criticism, please. Now the two of you are further out in my peripheral vision, but the doggos are closer. That's the good thing about it, Bridge.
You need to switch your priorities here. Which is your main monitor.
Yeah.
We need to be on.
No, but the thing is the dogs are more important than us.
That's true.
We know that. That's what That's the whole point of this.
Can I follow twice?
Oh, I wish. You should ask Twitch.
Yeah.
That's a feature. Can you follow twice, please?
But I don't know how many points you guys. You can write exclamation points to see how many points you have, but you can start redeeming stuff in the shop, and then you will have the redemption thing coming up. Okay, so I'm thinking we need to run this function.
Yeah.
But on activate in a way, like I wonder if we should have a function. Have an idea.
Sorry, this is so powerful, this power mode.
Yeah, I'm not able to write any code with it. I'm like paralyzed.
You haven't got your rotation down. Why open up there?
Restore from save. Right?
Yes.
And with restore from save, we're gonna do.
Shouldn't we say restore follower save, or are we actually using that for the entire thing?
If
I'm gonna drink.
It's alive is equal to false, right? And we are willing to self-destruct ourselves, we should just do that. So this is like what runs.
Wait a second. You need to put the and.
The and. My
And.
combo was very weak.
This chat's going fast. Okay. Everyone's checking their points. Tenchi has 40 hearts and is ranked 7 of 98 on the leaderboard. Chroma Cry has 80 hearts and is ranked 4 on the leaderboard. Bruit has 0 hearts and is ranked 85.
Right.
And since HK has been streaming for 52 minutes.
That's
Nick
uptime,
has
is it?
150 hearts and is ranked 2. Whoa, I'm higher than I thought. Yes, Tenchi, you're doing really good.
Awesome.
Hello, Julia. Hello, how you doing?
Good morning or good day.
Well, yeah,
She's
isn't it like
3.5 hours in front of us? I think.
Yes, it's still morning. It's
in
still
India.
Morning.
So
Good morning.
this needs to be a public. That's what I missed. Public.
I'm learning Python right now. That is awesome, Chroma Key. Are you enjoying learning Python?
It's a good language. I really enjoy writing Python.
Is there a command to see a list of things you can redeem?
Yeah, I'm gonna make a command for that.
We're going to, yeah.
The command of all commands.
The command of all commands. Oh, Chrome is learning Python in college. That is super neat. Are you making any project with it right now? What just happened? There was a sound from your PC.
It told us that it's 9 a.m.
Oh, okay.
My computer likes to tell me that out loud.
Who's number one? Is it Z?
You can see the leaderboards somewhere. I can probably open it up here. But I think
new stream UI. Hello, Auline.
Hello.
How you doing?
Welcome. So nice to see you. That's awesome.
Z has 180 hearts and yes, is on the top of the leaderboard.
Rocking socks.
Good guess. Pryor has 50 hearts. He's ranked number 7. Brew's like, how do I get hearts? Everybody's addicted to these hearts right now.
they're the most valuable you can get around here right now.
You're the other diehard fan here, so I had to be. In the future, you may use loyalty points, which is called hearts, here to buy their merch. Oh, I did not know that was possible.
Exactly.
Did not know that.
So, but if you haven't gotten that far, so we have. See, I think I found it now. If I switch over to laptop, here's our leaderboard. It's looking pretty swish. Once somebody gets to 500 points, they can redeem some doggo stuff. But I think maybe I priced it too high. We will see.
Maybe we'll see. And good morning, Atlantia King and R1 Copias from Brazil. Hello.
Awesome. And if
what can I do with Python?
You can do pretty much anything. It's a very powerful language, and especially used a lot in machine learning, and also mathematics is very powerful with. But I mean, most languages can do everything, but obviously pick the right tool for a right job. So it really depends what you're trying to achieve.
Python is really funky when you use the bracket. And Julia says, good memory. Yes, it's 12:30. How are you two doing today? We're doing really, really good. It's really nice and sunny outside and warm. Not too warm though, so we're surviving. Just
I'm going to see if we fixed our bug.
Yes.
I'm playing the game.
I'm still trying to catch up with the chat.
All right. It's going wild.
You can pretty much do everything with Python. Oh, Doggo Cuddles have been redeemed from Brew It. I'm going to have to do that. Who needs hearts when you can do this?
And
then Krista can catch up with all the rest of it whilst I do Doggo Triangles.
Okay.
So we're on Genius Z, that one. I think it's up here.
Are we that far back?
We're that far back. This one here. So Chris is going to catch up with the chat.
Chrome C is suggesting the rules command. I'm taking note of that. Thank you.
Right.
And sorry for being behind on chat. We'll work on it. Yes. And thank you for following. I don't know how to pronounce that. 1R Coffs PS.
Hello.
I only know RenPy, which can make visual novels. Yeah, that is true. You can use it for visual novel creation. I heard about that one. Great minds think alike. To get hearts, you watch stream, host, follow, raid, etc. It depends on how they set it up. Exactly, yeah, we have set up so you get points for pretty much any type of activity on our stream, as well as just being here in the chat. You will gaining points over time.
Oh, you just gonna eat me instead?
And Bitsmaster Studio, thank you so much. You know who is number 1 on this leaderboard. He just cheered 200 bits.
Aww,
thank you
so much, Bitsmaster.
Can I exchange my heart for berries?
Well, he gets doggo treats for that. The doggos get doggo treats.
Aww.
Yeah.
Little bonus for you, Bitsmaster.
Boop.
That is good.
Maurice, you wanna boop too? You're not very good at it. You wanna boop? No, you wanna get up? Yeah. Oh, you don't see it, but yeah. Come on, dear. No, yeah. I think it's Yeah.
Nick says that our follows and points don't seem to be showing up in the overlay. That sucks. Because it's been working when I've been testing it.
No, the follows I thought you didn't. Oh yeah, okay.
I've been testing it and it's been working, but apparently not when we're live. This is not good. Yeah, because we probably had quite a few, and I've been seeing a few in the chat, but I haven't seen them because they should be appearing like right up here. I mean, I coded it myself, so maybe that's the problem.
There's too much You guys are the best channelers ever. Yeah.
I probably need to fix my code then. Was it a good doggo snuggle happening over there?
It was, and they were very satisfied with their go-go treats from Gizmaster Studios.
Bizmaster set up a challenge. You have 2 days to knock me off the king perch of the Bits Ladder peeps. He's thrown down the glove. That's awesome.
I mean, it makes Winky Murray's have lots of extra treats. There you go. There you go.
I emulated one, and that works. So the emulation ones work, but the real ones don't.
That's
but
weird.
because probably the emulated ones are not identical to the real ones, and I've been obviously constructing it with emulation.
That's not good.
Yeah.
Okay, so what have we missed? Anything else? Can I exchange my heart for berries? Have you read that one out?
Oh no, see, it came
No,
now.
it worked.
Maybe it is working.
Maybe it's not working on the other one.
I can replay them. See?
There you go.
I don't know.
I have no idea.
I'm pretty
Maybe
sure.
it's on this one.
No,
That is working.
it's the same one.
Have you gone through everything here?
Yes, we're caught up.
We're caught up.
I think so, at least.
Oh, it's nice with the moving wave.
Yeah. Right. And
Did you add it to every scene? Yeah.
see, I'm replaying some old things, and then they're working.
Because they came up on the little bar thingy.
Maybe
Didn't they? No, I don't know.
Maybe they don't stay for enough seconds.
Maybe they don't stay for enough seconds. No, it's not good. When you've reached this, you're caught up.
Thank you, Dramasaurus.
Maybe it's an API issue. Who knows?
Mm.
We'll have to figure it out.
Yeah.
I messed up my own emote.
Oh, that looks like Javasaurus.
Javasaurus.
That is really cool. Nice to see that.
That is super neat.
As we don't have our pips emojis today.
Yes. Did you do anything here, or like?
We saw it working, or were we going to test that it
We
worked?
were going to test it was working, and then we got
Sidetracked.
Duggo redeemed and Duggo treat redeems and Morris is just totally chill right now.
Oh.
He was super conked out on the carpet.
Yeah.
Oh, they're coming now. Weird. Nice, Doctor. Javasaurus.
Nick, the ones you saw coming now was me pressing the
Where's that?
replay button, because I got that in Stream Elements.
Is that the new Unity version? The UI looks different and simpler.
Yes.
Yes, it is. We updated from 2019.2 to 2019.3 and it messed up everything.
We're going to be finishing a devlog.
Yes.
And probably by Monday. And we have some pretty spectacular bugs that happen in the process. We had like gigantic pips walking around our scenes.
Yeah, and then like Mr. Pips suddenly, instead of having his crown on his head, he had it like around here. So it looked like he had this like mustache.
Or a hula skirt. So his cap became his little skirt. It was really funny.
And the play button is a different blue-white. Yes, that is.
That's very observant.
Yes.
I've not thought about that. But yeah, everything is quite different. And also I turned up UI scaling, so everything is bigger.
So now I can see things.
Yeah.
I've been blind for like the entire time we've been using Unity.
Yeah.
No, there were no events during the stream. Okay. If I may give one comment, the text is obscuring a lot of the screen, which is a shame since the visual aspect is stunning. Yeah, we're going to be working a little bit on the story because we think it's a little bit too long.
We don't like the UI for the story
neither.
neither.
No.
Yeah.
So we're going to be working on that. So that's a good tip, and we're already going to be on the case.
Yes.
Eileen says, no, Nick says, nah, it looks like that when it's active. Yeah, when you're using it. Oh, but, look. It worked. But you still have the little icon. Oh, no. No.
That is...
I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this.
Are you going to become the next Let's Game It Out?
Oh, yeah.
How many pips can we spawn?
Good morning, lovely neighbours. Hello, Textbox North. These streams are having a positive effect on me. Now I'm up early on Saturdays doing stuff instead of sleeping until almost midday.
That's what we want.
Awesome. I mean, now you can just see the legendary amount of berries.
Oh
my gosh, what did I do?
I think we need to introduce more berries in the game.
I think we need to introduce more.
Because this is so cool. I really love this moment. Like, because we only have 8 berries in the actual game that you can collect. But it's so much more fun with this many.
I mean, look at this, man. Oh, wow.
And I love their movement system is that if they're too far down, they will do a jump, which is this crazy jump that you see in the background.
Whee!
How many have we done?
I don't know how many I've spawned.
I still see them like as little snowflakes in the distance.
I'm so sorry. I don't know.
All right. You know what we're going to go and do? We're going to the next level.
Oh, no. Oh, gosh, no. Oh, no.
Yes.
No.
Okay.
I missed some of the chat, so I'm just going to catch up a little bit.
Yeah, I do agree. The story obscures too much of the screen. Too big font.
Judah says I have to update Unity 2 and I'm scared.
You should be scared, but we have lots of good tips and tricks in our next video.
In our next video, we put together tips and tricks of how to make it easier and smoother. So
for your upgrade, because we did not make it easier and smoother.
No, we did not. We made it absolute hell for ourselves. So you can watch our videos. Will come out next week. We got lots of tips there. I would probably try to figure out how to make the text a little bit less intrusive.
Yes.
Yes.
Absolutely. Whoa.
Less in my face, if you will.
Yeah.
We've got like a bit of a lag fest there.
Yeah, it is affecting the FPS. We could maybe optimize these scripts a little bit more. I'm gonna maximize some place we really get the full experience here. That's a lot of berries.
I totally understand you. I always scale my UIs bigger. I just can't see. Yeah, do you have the possibility in Unreal Engine to scale up the UI really large? Audi? Wait, I didn't know you could turn up the UI scaling. Yes, you can brew it in Unity 2019.3.
Yes.
And now that's why I'm asking also about Unreal, because I don't know.
So it will find her under preferences, because actually it was Z who was telling me about this, I'm pretty sure, because I was like, oh, I don't think that feature was released yet. But yeah, it is out, and it's working.
Oh god, it worked for sure. Global hunger solved. We have a pit fountain. And then she's got a little emoji. Pigman vibes. Pip army. You can never have too many strawberries. No, you can never have too many strawberries.
No.
Like Big Mean. The blue berries are shaking in their boots.
Yes.
They're not really. They don't look like it yet. Maybe we should do that. Make a little animation of them just like shaking.
We're coming for them. I knocked him off his raft now.
Julie says, "Oh, good. Ping me when you post it. We will do."
Yes.
Post it in the Game Dev Friends
It'll be boosted in the Game Dev Friends Club Discord, and we talked about Game Dev Friends Club Discord.
Did it work? It did not work.
It did not work. Okay, I tried to post a link to it. Okay, I'll post it manually.
Yes. You still post it manually. I'm poking it.
Okay, deleting the broken emoji. There we go.
For a second, I thought this was a plant motorboat on 2 logs.
Well, it's a motor raft or
motor raft.
Motor leaf.
Motor leaf. Just got to imagine the engine on the back.
Yeah.
Oh my god, those cute little kids!
I think we clicked too many times.
When you need to go in the water, pull out a giant basket and let all mini pips jump in. But what if it overflows? If you've got this many mini pips.
I like how they're all struggling to stay afloat over there and like jumping. Like,
don't blindly upgrade to 2019.3. There's major issues with VR support
yes.
As Steam VR integration. It almost killed my project at work because of that.
I don't doubt it.
We were really skeptical about upgrading. We've tried to do it, I think, once or twice, and hated it, and struggled.
We have reverted from our upgrade in the past when we did not manage to commit to it.
Unreal by default has a large UI. I meant like in-game. I always build my UI to be big.
Oh yeah,
okay.
Our in-game UI is too big.
Yeah, it is.
So I think I will just go back to the main menu for a bit.
No, why are you doing this? No.
It was laggy.
Oh, okay.
We can
all those pips should stop on top of you and rafting, pip tower to the moon.
Yes, we've been thinking about that.
And then you get like a mini moon at the top, just like
in Super Mario.
Super Mario.
That is a massive UI.
And have a gather round kids moment where they line up in half a circle around multiple walls. This could be so nice. More, better. It's like a pool party over there. I will have a button in my game where you can scale the UI elements.
That's a good idea.
That is a very good idea.
Yeah.
There are a few games that do that, but very few. Like, it's normally quite a lot of the AAA games I see them doing that, not the indie games. So I think that's a really good idea, already. You do that.
How far behind are we on chat still?
No, I'm caught up now.
Okay.
Oh, those water pips look awesome. Best happy accident ever.
Yes. I'm wondering, Claire, should we do so every time we pick up a pic?
Someone just followed us and it didn't pop up now.
Okay. But I can press...
Thank you for following, Sugars.
But I can do this.
You can do this instead.
It plays when I press play.
Yes. Big mistake, Krister. Caught up again, Charles. I like that.
Wow. At least we're having a good time.
Both stacking pips and Pips Army are features, not bugs. It's all coming together now. I know exactly. We had our screenshot Saturday last week where I said it's going to be a feature.
It seems like we got the stream title coming up here.
Yes.
We have The Pip army.
Oh god. Oh god.
Yes.
Oh god. What are we gonna do? So what? Why did you just summon more?
Oh, we need to fix up. Oh, I thought we were done with this bug, but
No,
obviously
we weren't. You just spawned more.
yeah, we should probably fix the bug. So yeah, the issue is obviously
That's too many. Do they do their idle animations? They do their idle animations.
it's quite subtle.
Yeah.
A few pixels movement, but
Yeah. Should have some of them do like little party moves and like backflips and that might be a bit too extreme, but yeah. Oh, poor Winky isn't on.
should we,
Oops.
if I pause it, try to fix our bug?
Yes, we should probably fix our bug, not just revel in the bug.
Revel in the bug. What's happening on dog cam?
I don't know. I'm trying to move it.
Oh, that's a chill dog cam.
Ah.
You okay there?
Yeah, there you go. I got it. There's a Winky ear. But
You see an ear and some stuff.
cut here.
I didn't know you could get scissors like that. I've never seen that character. That's awesome.
There are new things every day.
Yeah.
Not Twitch. I didn't know.
So in
There was
our
a floating scissor. Thank you for the follow, Gravy Navy 1. I love that name, Gravy Navy.
oh yes, and I need to play this manually
Yeah.
every time somebody does it. See, got that cool animation.
There was a floating scissor. Was there a floating scissor? floating scissor?
Now there is. Yeah. All right, so that comes up as an emoji, does it?
Apparently it does.
Oh,
You guys
hello.
are awesome. Oh, thank you, Shogas.
Thank you. He shared 10 bits.
Oh, thank you so much for your bits. Thank you.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, bits means dog treats.
Oh, does it?
Yes, that's what it means, dog treats.
So Claire's making new rules here.
I made new rules. Automatically.
I'm trying to fix this bug. That's a lot of scissors.
I'm worried. You seem a bit sleepy, so I think you're just gonna get the treat instead. Nom nom nom.
The scissors is definitely to cut bad code. That's a bit scary. Yeah, it was. I can spam scissors. At least it works.
You are really awake today, this little girl, huh?
Hmm.
Because Maurice, he's snoozing and losing. No, you're there you go. So stop licking me all the time.
Are you guys okay over there?
Just trying to eat me.
We could make a stream minigame, yeah. You guys certainly could.
With dogs or with scissors?
with emojis.
Krista and Qued dodges scissors.
I love this emoji plugin. Yes, this is Kappagen on Stream Elements, but they also have something similar called the emoji wall for Streamlabs, but they are slightly different what they do. But I configured it so they're quite actually similar.
And to everybody who's joining us, what are you guys up to today?
Yes, how are people doing this morning? And anybody else who's hanging out here?
Also, dogs are snoozing and listening.
Feel free to ask any questions while we're trying to debug, and we might make a better explanation. Yes, and thank you again for 20 beats.
Basically, he just wants more doggo treats.
Yes.
Yes.
Here it comes.
Thank you for the bits. The doggos just said thank you.
It's nice to relax again with your Saturday stream. Yeah. We only missed 1 week in May, but we have been pretty consistent. This week has been crazy. Yeah, you've been working overtime, haven't you, see, on your project? Oh, sorry, Gravy Navy. How do you start with game design? Ooh, this is a good question. I'm trying to get into it, but I just can't find the motivation to do so. Because you know what? We become affiliated with Game Dev TV, which is where we learned how to do game development. We took the Unity 3D course. I found it really motivational to do the course, and they have really good tutors. So if you down below on our stream, you'll see an affiliate link, and I think also I got it here, but my stream deck obviously isn't working. I got it. If you sign up with our Game Dev TV core affiliate link, I think they currently have an offer 80% off or something like that on all courses, and you'll be supporting our stream. So I recommend that because we did that. That's how we got started.
We have lots of courses in Unreal, Unity, you name it.
Yes.
So yeah, I think your dogs are just signing on to Twitch and giving bits just so they can get treats.
And also,
yep, pretty much.
They even have a course on motivation.
Do they?
Yes.
I didn't even know they had that.
I watched it. I mean, I think it was maybe a bit like superficial in a way. I wouldn't say like, oh, that's the best course ever. I find like the motivation comes from like seeing that you're learning and that you're achieving, and
also being in awesome communities. Can we just say?
And thank you for following Ngo.
Thank you for the follow. That came up.
I clicked it.
Oh, you clicked it.
I'm now like clicking.
Thank you for the follow, Ngo.
Right, do you want to see the bug?
Yeah, but you also, I just told it needs communities. Communities help you to keep up your motivation and not give up.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to plug the community.
Then plug the community.
Yes.
Community. There you go, community. So if you're really, really like friendly, nice community, that's also great motivation because everybody's there to help you. And if you've got any problems, then always ask.
Yes, that's our recommendation, Gravy Navy. It's not what it's called.
Yeah, Gravy Navy. I just like it. I think your dog's sign on to Twitch. Yeah, pretty much. I think Winky signed up for it. Winky loves the treats. Morris is a bit more like he's okay. He likes his treats, but it's nothing special. You want to switch?
Oh,
face? No, desktop.
I forgot that nobody could see what I was up to on the desktop. I've been like poking around here for quite a while now. So sorry, guys. You should tell me when I'm on the wrong cam for too long. So what I realized, when we restore from save, obviously we destroy the ragdoll, but what's also happening up here is that once I think the player interact,
which is why am I not seeing it?
We don't have it here. Okay, player interact. This one is loops through all interactables.
Yeah.
And obviously we ending up in that list of interactables.
Oh.
And we need to be removed from that list of interactables. That's why
we can constantly do it.
Yes. But how does so it loops through here.
Finds all dialogues. I think it's finding the dialogue maybe.
But can we deactivate them from this list? Update. Interactables.
Trigger distance. No, that's a trigger distance.
Yeah, but it should like skip it if the interactable is inactive. Like.
Do we have anything more down bottom? Show interact UI.
I think it's. How are we going to do this? We've coded this in such a poor way. Yes. Ooh, we're getting more bits. Shogos, thank you so much for the 40 bits. We're getting more doggy power. Our overlay is breaking. And
thank you so much, Shogos, for more bits. You need to poke Ryan and push the Pip army to over 9,000 with dots. Uh-oh.
Yeah. Yes, that's how we're going to get our performance. Yeah.
Did you see all those bits? No, we didn't. You could give me a treat.
I'm doing it this time.
Okay, Chris is doing it.
I'm doing it.
And I'm just going to be like, I'm not doing what I'm doing.
Yeah. Thank you for pointing it out, Nick.
Yeah. Nice. It highlights really well in stream elements, whatever it's called. Or make the pips into particles. 100k pips. That's a really, really good idea. We should just give Ryan, Mr. Pips, model, and then he's just gonna throw it into his game as like an Easter egg. As an Easter egg level. Oh,
that'd be good. We need to send him some mini pips now.
How long have you been working on this game? We've been working on it since last September.
Yeah.
A bit here and there, but we've also been working on other projects on the side, so we haven't had our full 100% attention on it. Question mark Rain. Oh no, look, Winky's jealous now.
Why you don't get there?
Yeah, she gets so jealous when she's left alone. Oh, Haiti doggy.
Aww. This is more good.
Woohoo!
Cuteness checked. Yay!
That's awesome.
Aw, cute doggos need all the treats. Yes.
We're giving Evelyn more toys to play with on the stream. That's awesome.
Ricky, don't be depressed. Be happy.
Aw, she looks happy to me.
She does look happy, and you look also happy.
And thank you so much for following.
Thank you for the follow. I don't know how I can say it.
You click on those. Oh yeah, you mean
N3113?
Or LL3?
_84? Yeah. Well, LL, we don't know.
Let us
Mickey
know
says
how to
hello.
pronounce it if you want to.
Aw, you got new mail.
That's awesome.
Winky's is looking so chill right now.
Right. So,
Should we take Muffins down?
okay, we should do some coding.
We should do some coding. I'm sorry, Muffins. You don't have pause for coding. I'm sorry. Oh, sorry, am I in the way?
No, that's cool.
Yes, we would try and figure this out, and I don't remember what we did again.
Yeah. So either we need to remove them from this list, or
Yes.
when they're in this list, they need to be ignored.
Yeah.
And since we haven't
But
made...
we also have a busy up here, but
No, that doesn't
no,
help.
it doesn't do anything now.
Because basically we'll loop through this list, find who's closest, and it will show that one. And since we have coded in such a poor way, like we could have made these classes extend each other. So,
Yeah.
but we haven't. So they're individual classes, and we need to like check which of the classes or components are relevant. Yeah, it's silly. I really dislike it, but we're gonna keep it this way because it works. And
we didn't know the scope of this project neither.
It's gonna be-
yeah, it's good.
change way too much to fix this. But we should probably remove them from the interactable list.
Yes,
'Cause-
because we do it where we check if we need to put them into it, right? Find all dialogues
Yes.
we've got here, and I think it's that because we haven't removed the dialogue anymore.
Mm-hmm.
Then it's kind of like, well, it's there, so I'm gonna add it in anyway.
So
But what about if in here we end up saying that if it's set to is active?
we could, but I think it runs afterwards. So I think this runs first, and then the other thing runs afterwards. So I think it's best for
Oh.
us to maybe loop through this list and
Okay.
remove the ones which are not supposed to be there.
Yeah, okay.
Not super performant, but it's not that many objects, so it's like a loop of 10 things.
Until we add more pips, and then it does.
For the time being, not a problem.
Olean says, I ask myself how far I can drive this. This is the limit. I was distracted. Did I hear bad code?
No,
Nick, no, you didn't. No. We're writing perfectly fine code. No.
Just, you know,
Just enjoy your breakfast. It's fine.
enjoy your
It's fine.
breakfast, have a good time, and say hi to your family. I tried to redeem doggo treats from Streambox and got 404 not found. What? Well, thank you so much, Z, for being top of the leaderboard and trying that out.
Yeah,
Um,
but why would it say 404 not found?
that's weird.
Apparently, Stream Elements doesn't like Douglas.
Yeah. That's also the challenge. We need to debug this while live, because it's a lot of things I can't debug while we're offline. So, yeah. I need to check this out, but at the same time, I need to fix this bug.
Is your daily hour rain?
Oh, thank you so much,
Did it come
Evelyn.
up? I didn't see it.
Well, I can't replay that.
Oh.
I think it was there for a few seconds.
Oh.
Let's see.
It's at the top.
If
there.
you click on redeem on
No, he was trying to do the dog treats.
dog treats,
Fail to redeem item, not enough loyalty points.
I don't have enough loyalty points to
Doesn't have
redeem
enough
it
loyalty points.
myself.
You can't remove inside a loop. Keep a list of things to remove, and after the loop, remove them.
Yes, but I think that the loop runs first, and then this thing runs afterwards anyway.
I think so.
I'm pretty sure. So in the dialog one, when we restore from save here,
Yes.
we can do get compo. Okay, this is going to be horrible. We're just going to do it because
We're just gonna see if it works.
if it works.
If it works.
I think we'll
I didn't
find.
watch. I found page 2 of emotes. Refresh, and now I got not enough points. Oh no!
What?
What?
Maybe it spent your points. I mean, it costs 1,000. I don't know where you're at then.
He says 270 hearts now.
Then it must have been spent. That is so weird.
I don't know.
I'm so sorry, Z.
No idea. No.
Fryer has 80 hearts and is rank 9.
And Z is rank 1 still with 270. And we got lots of zebras. Hello, zebras.
We're gonna find the player interact, and on that one there is the interactables, which is let's
Sorry,
see.
I'm just loving you have a combo 19. Sorry.
Yeah.
I just love it. It's just like so exhilarating.
This is a list to transform. So we can, if we for each
For each.
var. Is that how you write the for each loops in C#? I so long since I've done it now. Yeah, I think it's correct. If interactable dot game
Object.
no ID. What is it called again? get what was the ID again? Like unique. Okay, this is getting intense.
Okay, this is getting intense.
Is it like game object?
Game object.
Then dot ID something. Get
instance ID.
But can we not do that on the transform?
Apparently not.
Okay, you need to do it on the game object. Game object. Okay. And if that is the same as this transform, game object dot get ins. Oh wow.
Oh wow. Oh, we got 131 combo.
Oh, obviously what Nick is saying is correct. Because I can't remove them from this loop while they're inside the loop. C# doesn't like that.
No.
Most of the programming languages are fine with that. Ugh. Right.
Z thinks he didn't have enough points when he did it first time around. I got a box asking for permission to let Stream Elements get info about my Twitch account. When I accept, I got 404. So the redeem points probably works.
All right.
And Nick says, let's do another stream next week just to fix this stuff.
Yes.
Yes,
well,
that'd be a good idea. But not on a Saturday, he said.
Oh, you mean we can do like a week stream, like a mini
Yes.
testing stream? That'd be a good idea, Nick.
Yes.
And I think I can give out points as well manually, so we can like test things. So yeah. Absolutely. Let's have a little bonus stream for fixing the stream.
Julia has 20 hearts and is rank 35.
Yes.
And Nick has gone down to rank 3 with 240. Somebody has surpassed him. Wasn't that Fryer? No, who surpassed him?
You need to check the leaderboards.
Check the leaderboards. So if we can't do it like this, then how are we supposed to do it?
You need to then keep a list of stuff you're supposed to remove. So you need to like know the index of the list. Man, why? Yeah.
Yeah.
I think this feature gets old. Well, it depends how much you spam it, Eileen. So that's on you.
How? Don't you accumulate points by being here, or do you get points for other things?
You get points for other things as well.
Yes.
Such as sharing, bidding, tipping, following, raiding, subbing, hosting, etc.
I love how Crystal managed to do that all in one sentence. I'm pretty impressed. And thank you so much for the bits, Bruids!
Oh, thank you!
Thank you! This means Duggo treats! Duggo treats. I'm taking a nap. What do I say? A kip. Going for a kip. Having a kip.
Yes, you're having a kip.
You're having a kip.
We were discussing that in the Discord the other day.
Yeah, kip is... I like that word. I really like
Yeah.
that word. It's a Welsh thingy, but apparently it's also other places too, isn't it?
Okay,
So I need 2 treats, and then...
C# geniuses out there. Apparently my brain is starting to get a bit fried.
Okay. Is it because Fryer has decided he wants to go for a kip? Don't modify a collection while enumerating. Just add a list above to delete and add the ones to remove, and then do the leap.
See here, this is exactly what I wanted to hear.
And you know what? Nick just said that just as help came along.
Oh!
Hello, help!
Can't be better timing. Hello, help. That is incredible.
No, just the object is easy. If you want to iterate and remove, you can iterate it backwards, says a bomb off. Thank you. 200 bits. Oh my gosh, we've got. Oh man, we're gonna have to queue up these dog treats. I've only got 2.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Are you?
Okay, here's bonus treats.
I just coughed and I nearly moved a folder in my project into another. Oh no. This is why don't hold your mouse
While coughing.
whilst coughing.
Oh yeah. Claire comes and shakes me on the shoulder while I'm trying to select the color in the color picker.
Yeah.
It's like the color goes all over the place every time.
Nice treats.
That was happening a lot yesterday when I was working on the stream design and everything.
You guys need to learn new tricks now.
Yeah, okay. You guys always say I can't be better timing. Yeah, apparently so, because we apparently need a lot of help. And right now Nick was writing exactly what I was talking about before I even asked for it, because he knew what I was asking for, I guess. New list. Can we just like autocomplete this?
There's competition here. There's competition here.
Are we switching to Doggo Cam?
Yes. Stop. Hey, Janta. There. And can you do the same rates? Because Winky's had both of our treats now. Come on. Stop. No, stop. Oh, you're clumsy. Stop. Come on. Oh, you're not supposed to lose the treat now. Okay, right side. Next side. You love that. Playing it. Zebra.
You guys having a good time there?
Stack. Playing it. Let's move the bed all the way. Playing it. Zebra. Yeah, you're a bit clumsy today.
And thank you so much for following Sterek. Stek?
Yeah, there's not more treats, Maureen. You had your 2 treats from your 500 bits. Yeah.
Are they having a good time?
They're having a very good time. Okay, I'll put your bed back here again, shall I?
Nick, I figured it out, and I figured I've been being silly. And thank you so much, because you've been putting me on the right track here. So, we have a list here of transforms, which is our interactables. And I didn't realize that a list thing in C# you have delete, or was it remove? So we can remove, and this one takes a transform item. So we can just write transform.
Well, that's not how you write transform.
That's transform. Right? So that already is the right thing.
Oh.
Right, we don't have to do this looping and deleting and things, because we
It's still upset at you. I don't know why. I think that's...
It's gone now.
It's gone now. So then we don't need all that?
Yeah. This is how.
But wait a second. Did you delete more than you were supposed to delete?
No, that was all like.
Oh, okay, that's all you added.
Me trying to figure it out, which was wrong.
Yeah.
But yeah, C# has a much simpler way to do things. You can just delete that one.
Yay!
Okay, we'll space it out. I'll say why we're doing this. Remove.
We need a better adjustable dog cam.
Remove the dialogue from.
Z says that's not gonna work. Pokey face.
I'm having a good time here.
So it starts shaking the screen a bit more. What?
Okay, whatever.
Why is it not gonna work, Z? Are you just teasing us?
He's just teasing us.
It's
It's going to
us?
work. Oh, it's still in play mode.
Oops.
Oops.
Oops. I'm gonna take a toilet break.
What?
Yeah.
You have priorities here?
I have priorities.
Okay.
Do you need more water? Or are you fine?
Eileen, you still hanging out here? Let me know. Because, you know, there's something which happened, which you were, I gotta give you credit for being the first person in everyone to notice the fact that we had something stored inside here. There's something brewing.
There's something brewing.
So yeah, I gotta give you credit, Eileen, for being the very first person when we tripped up on the stream, like in February. Yes, of course. I am the wise owl. But yeah, we weren't ready to share yet, and we messed up. So is it moonshine? Well, you know. And thank you so much for following. Surias, yes. Think I got that. You can't fool me. No, you see through everything. BRB grocery delivery. Enjoy your food, Nick. You getting grocery delivery on a Saturday? That's incredible. Everything here stops on a Saturday when it comes to deliveries. I mean, yep. AAA congratulations from Julia. Thank you so much. Yes, it's going to be very exciting. It's due in October, so we're going to have quite an interesting time ahead. But it's all planned, you can say. So, yeah, hopefully it's going to work out well. Let's see if we fix this bug, shall we? Oh, we have. Okay, so right here, for those who just joined, there was like a chat speak bubble from the bush. And that one is gone because we picked up this guy from the bush, and once we restore our save, that wasn't working correctly, but now he's gone. Okay, let's go and talk with all the things and see if we have destroyed anything else.
So, I missed everything. What happened?
Julia said congratulations.
Ooh, thank you.
A quadruple A, congratulations.
Quadruple A?
Yes.
Oh, we're going to be not a triple A studio, we're going to be a...
Quadruple A.
Quadruple A studio.
Oh, water, thank you.
There you
go. And we fixed the bug.
Oh, nice.
It has taken us the entire stream.
Pretty much.
Yeah. Your dev group will grow to 5, yes. It'll be Maurice, Winky, and Claire, and Quista.
And a mini Pip.
And Mini Pip. And the Mini Pip. Yes. Oh, people are supplemented with other emojis today as we don't have our own.
We're really upset about this.
We're getting our upgrade to our own emojis.
Yes.
But I forgot that the fact that they need time to...
Because it's like, oh, I'll just put the little nice white rim around it. And I was like, that'd be a great idea.
Yeah.
And then we forgot all about it.
Yes.
R.I.P. R.I.P. Pips. Winky, are you alright? Are you just just like staring into nothingness. Pretty much staring into nothingness. There you go. I miss my pip emojis.
Welcome back, Silverwind. Hello. the
Hey, it's me screaming.
Oh.
Ah, we thought we were like quadruple A studio.
Hello. Is fun the game? Yes, fun is the game.
The game is fun.
Hi, Daybert.
Hello.
Can I have a quick break as well now?
No, you can be a pentemple A now. Waiting a whole week is too long.
Aww.
Aww.
I understand.
We apologize. We're so sorry. We would do it more, but we can't. At some point, you can't hide it anymore. I first noticed when Clara and you were starting to behave differently. What? Was I behaving that differently? And then you cued it one day, and I picked that up. Yeah, I kind of busted it when I said that I was gonna have a flu vaccine. And I'm completely and utterly healthy, so it seemed a bit strange for me to do that. So I think that was. I think Z also. You also picked up and was like, "Oh, something up there." But yes, we have a mini pip brewing. When they stopped drinking well-aged wine and started drinking water. We never drank wine on the stream. But yeah, I do miss having a nice little bit of wine every now and again. And sushi. Raw sushi. Miss my sushi. I'm just jumping around. I should probably go to thingamajiggy. Strawberry wine. Is there such a thing? Wish you all luck. Maybe there'll be an owl flying into your window soon. Is that like the difference from a stork to an owl instead? And thank you so much, Arlene. That's really nice of you. We were reading an article the other day that you can actually grow or make wine in Norway now or something, because there's people making like what do you call it, vineyards and doing it. I thought it was a bit strange. It's like, okay. Thank you for the follow, Daybert. And I managed to do the little follow thingy. Poor owl. Hope the window will be okay. Such a cute story. Thank you. Yeah, I hope the owl will be okay as well. I don't like when birds hit windows. I don't like it. I always rescue them. I used to do that a lot when I was a kid because they kept flying into the window all the time. And I go and rescue them. And nurse them back again. Congrats again. Did you think of a name? No, we haven't thought of a name yet. We have a bit of a joke going around.
We're gonna name him something on C.
Name him something with C.
Because we are Krister and Claire, and there'll be more C's in the family. And
yeah, we're just making lots of fun by saying the fact that, you know, it needs to go well with Winky, who's, you know, obviously a Chihuahua, which is Mexican, so just like Carlos.
Yeah, so he's born with sombrero and maracas. Compared to most Norwegians who are born with skis on their legs, as they say. So,
but it's just a joke. We don't know.
Yeah, we're probably not going to roll with a Mexican name. It would be funny though.
It's fine. Owls aren't very smart. Anyway, Eileen was saying wishing us all the luck. Maybe there'll be an owl flying into your window and we're just like, no, poor owl. And Britt says congrats. Yeah. Pips Jr. Yeah, we should call him Pips. Yeah.
Yeah.
Why is there a circle following the Pips? That is a
rendering bug
in Unity, which is confirmed and is supposed to be fixed, but it hasn't been updated yet.
Yeah, in the next version of the render pipeline, which will probably be out before we finish the game anyway, yes. That circle is gone.
Which has been irritating us, but we found it on the Unity forums.
Yeah. At least
C sharp. Something with Z? I concur. It's only on the leaves though. It's also a bit. It's on all the terrain, I think.
All the detail mesh.
All the detail mesh. That was it.
Yeah, which is all those little shrubs and
things. I'm gonna just go keep this. Whee!
Yeah.
So you said you did manage to fix your problem, did you?
What?
I don't know why. The bug.
The bug is fixed.
The bug is fixed.
Right.
And thank you for the bits. I need to click on it. Oops.
Silverwind has shared 100 bits. Thank you so much. I'll be the leader of the bit board. Yes.
Kristen now needs to give the dog a treat.
Oh yeah, that's true. See, I'm checking off tasks there. We've done this. No, wait a second. This one.
This one, that one.
This.
But did it legitimately work? Like, I don't trust you.
Okay, you can test it while I go and
Give the dogs treats.
Give the dogs a treat. Do you guys think our stinger transition is like too fast or too slow? Let me just demo it again.
Okay. Yeah.
Like, is it good speed or is it too slow? Or and do you like Morris getting tossed away? I wonder if it's a bit too long.
Back, how did the code work out? Well, Nick, as you can see, it worked out fine because there's no pip here and we can't click and interact with them and cause a million and one pips. So now we can't give this game to let's game it out and break it. He'll find a way. Maurice needs to have more tricks in his resume. I need to do more training.
Yeah, our dogs are well behaved, but not well trained.
No, look, Maurice is upset about that.
Yeah, okay, you're well trained.
He's well trained. He's well trained. Yeah. He just doesn't have a lot of tricks in his books right now.
That's you guys' fault, not mine.
I know. Can you do high five, Maurice? No, you can't. Can you? That was only Dominic could do.
Yeah.
Well, that wasn't high five.
But...
Back again. Hello. Welcome back, Point Separator.
Oh yes. Guess what, Point Separator? We have fixed our bug, which we've been at the entire stream. So...
And also Nick was asking about this. So yes, we have fixed it.
Yes.
We've just spent 2 hours to fix this bug.
Well, it was multi-dimensional though.
It was a multi-dimensional bug.
Yes. It was spanning multiple systems and yeah, but now it works.
Wells are just upside down lighthouses. Change our mind.
That is so cool. What if you guys made a game about wells and then when you go into the well, you come out on the other side of the world, flip and it's a lighthouse? See? That'd be so cool. That is pretty neat. Yes.
Yes.
I love this.
I really do like this.
Yeah. Bismaster Studios. I
approve.
We approve.
Mind blown.
Yeah.
Great. Found some bits outside.
Oh, wow.
Oh, thank you, Pine.
Thank you so much.
The dogs are going to get fat now.
Oh.
No, they're not. They're not.
Thing is, we don't need to redeem dog treats in the shop if we give it up for every bit.
But it's a bit. See, it's a bit. See,
okay,
it's a tiny little bit.
Okay.
This is not purple. Okay, Chris is doing it. Do you know how to fix this problem? What problem? The problem with the saving or something else? Mind blown. We should call it Mario. The game Mario, or the Wells upside down lighthouse game Mario. My English not very good, but his game is very funny. You just got redeemed more bits, Krister.
Oh wow! Sure was.
Thank you. Sure. It seems like we have a competition for bits today.
Ah. All the little bits. There's more treats. There's more treats.
Mario, trademark. Good job, Pipsqueaks. We've made this stream a bit greater.
Oh yes.
Just a bit greater.
Who's voting for chubby dogs?
The new Ratchet and Clank does stuff like that. Does it?
The what incline?
Ratchet and Clank is a game.
Oh right.
Yeah.
I didn't hear it.
When I go to open a script, it pops up with a massive error. Don't know how to explain it, but it's not opening my Visual Studio.
Claire, you need to replay quite a lot of things.
Oh my gosh, what on earth? Try me, people.
And the one below, I think.
No, I think we've done that one. That one
we're
done. And then we got this one.
Thank you so much, Point Separator. Thank you so much, Silverwind, and
thank you so much, Silverwind.
Awesome. And we have more.
Oh, we have another one. Okay. This is no competition.
I got 2 treats.
Seems like this is a competition all of a sudden. So when I go to open the script, it pops up with a massive error.
Yeah.
The dog is so happy. Yes. This is. Oh, I haven't. Oh no. You forgot to switch it over, Krister.
Oh.
There you go. This is happy doggos. The dogs are always happy. Now they're just gonna absolutely love
stream time.
Stream time. You have another few, Krister.
Oh right, we're not done yet.
Oh, look at that little tail go. Look at that little tail go. We'll be all broke after this stream. Oh wait, we got more. Thank you so much. Point separator.
I think they're competing on that leaderboard.
Yeah. Oh, R.I.P. my Bits Bank, says Bizmaster Studio. The crown is yours, somewhat. I love when Winky's just like staring down, just like,
You must be more treats. You must be.
The next one is on you, Claire.
okay. You know what? We should just have like an automatic dispenser for treats.
That's what I was hoping. I've actually been searching online on Amazon to see if we can find a dispenser which can hook up to the stream. And some people have been making it, so you know.
I need to make our own one with Arduino.
If you guys got any tips, then yeah, shoot it our way, and we might just about get that.
Yeah, we probably will. Yeah.
That'd be good activity.
Yeah, and it's got to come up on the screen saying what trick they've got to do, and they've got to do the trick first.
Yeah.
Wouldn't that be awesome? I'd love that. Stream Deck button for treats.
There, God. Yes, yes, we should have that. That'd be incredible.
This is how we upgrade our stream big time.
Yes, but what I'm really upset about is that there's only one little pip now.
Why?
It was so cool having all of them.
I know, but we'll just have to add more pips into the world instead.
Yes, and break our ending cutscene, which only support 8, because we coded it that way.
But that doesn't matter. We can no. But that's the thing. Each of them spawn like three. You know, when the bush grows, there's 3 of the berries on them.
Yeah, so we could
just have one of them and it'll just grow 3 anyways. It's fine.
I was thinking about that solution as well. Yeah. I think we might need to do that.
I think we might need to do it. I'm glad I don't have bits. Would not be able to resist.
Well, we will see how long that lasts, Nick.
So there are no channel emotes at the moment. Oh, I'm so sorry, Point Separator. We upgraded our emojis yesterday and
they're pending approval.
They're pending approval.
But they're coming.
So, they're coming.
Yes.
We were updating them.
They'll be there next stream.
We forgot about that, and Twitch isn't fast enough.
Yes.
But in the meantime, at least we got lots of mini pips.
Didn't she have a log to sit on?
No, I think we removed the log for her.
Okay.
The one down below has a log. We decided to just make her big.
Okay. Should we pick a new task, or are we too tired for tasks?
Yes, we can pick a new task.
Pick something easy. Oh, here's a good one.
Yeah.
We can fix our fog in this scene.
Yes, we can do.
That's a good idea.
And Dev Donut says yes.
Yes, that we are missing our emojis.
Yes, we're missing emojis. Oh shoot, this has gone off again.
Alright. If we load up spring, we have not really fixed the fog in this scene. Because I'm wondering, like, this is like a spring scene. So it's supposed to...
But it's also just like after... We didn't want to have it too bright neither. We wanted to have a little bit...
Yeah, because it copied summer settings, more or less.
Yeah.
But we increased the density of the fog a bit.
Did they go over? Controller?
Yes, you can take over controller. How long does an approval take?
We don't know.
Like a day or two, in my experience last time.
Or maybe Twitch doesn't work on
And I did it last night, so that was silly of me.
Oh, I should probably remove this.
I just made an animation for my owl people to fall. And now I'll add the land animation. That's really nice. Glad to hear that it's going well with your game. Because I've been seeing you upload some cool clips to YouTube, etc. Arlene. That's awesome.
On Point Separator, thank you so much for gifting a tier 1 sub to Arlene.
Aww.
Thank you. That's so nice.
Well deserved. Thank you so much, Point Separator. And congratulations to Arlene.
Yes.
After first emote, they stop caring about you, and it can take up to a month. No, I hope not.
I hope not. That's unfair.
So, yeah.
Point Separator is about to break the bank. I live off the donations people give.
She even got the second sub. See?
Yes, 2 months.
Oh,
it said up here, Arlene just subscribed for 2 months in a row.
Oh, when I replayed it, the point come up twice in that list.
Oh, did it?
Yes.
Oh.
But.
Oh.
You know.
Oh.
Okay, now we get it.
And Arlene's now got a little icon. Why does Point Separator not have a little icon?
I don't know. Maybe that's just on our screen.
Oh, he's got a little. What's this one? 5 gift subs. Founder. VIP. You got a VIP.
He got all the other icons.
Oh. Can you not have more than 3 icons?
Maybe. Need to get back to work. Yes. Do some good work, Arlene. I'm glad that we've been cheering you up this morning. And you've been cheering us up too. And
yes. It was so nice
really
to join
nice.
us again.
Yes. We've been dearly missed.
You've been missed. We missed you.
It's awesome.
I'm just trying to copy the post-processing.
We have already copied it.
No, it wasn't copied over.
Oh.
Or maybe it was.
Yeah.
I just was looking in the wrong area. I'll just copy component anyway.
I'm pretty sure we copied this like 2 days ago.
It's a streak!
Oh yeah, bring it on.
Yes, we did. Okay, because there's a post-process involved in here.
That can be deleted.
I want to delete it. That was what I was got confused about.
So when you upgrade Unity, all your post-processing will be gone.
Yes.
From 2019.2 to 2019.3. So yeah, be careful with that.
I'm a VIP founder?
Apparently so.
Apparently so.
You are a VIP founder.
I didn't even know that.
I've been giving quite a few people, the
VIP status.
VIP status. They've been hanging out with us here the entire time, so feels well deserved.
Do we want to have it like super light, or do we want to have it like a bit like early morning?
Nick, I've seen 4, I think, but not sure what the max is. What are we talking about?
We're talking about how many icons you can have.
Emojis. Oh, in the list. Okay.
Well, I've only seen a max of 3 here.
There are special badges for events and pledges. All right, so maybe they appear anyway.
Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, you're so cute. Yeah, I just wondered, do we want to have this as a little bit more like early morning?
Yes, we do.
So then it would be kind of like foggy.
Yes, I do want more foggy.
I kind of like that type of, maybe I'm gonna go from this angle.
Oh yeah, we did try to set the sun here a bit differently.
Yeah, because we set it to 10 originally.
But do you want sun on the waterfall maybe? So you should probably set it to like the evening instead.
Or, yeah, I mean like...
If you keep going a bit, right? There. A bit back maybe?
Back?
So the shadows are casting not too far into the scene. I don't know.
Okay. But I kind of feel like it doesn't give the early morning.
No, maybe it doesn't. Maybe try the morning setting then. Yeah, maybe that's nice.
8, 7, 7, 7.
I liked it a little bit further ahead.
8? We'll go for 8. There you go.
Yeah, because then you have these shadows
There's
there.
the shadows, so you like the shadows. And it also has like the light in there, which is nice.
It looks weird, but I'll let it pass.
Yeah, but it might be because we haven't got the preset correct, maybe? Or the directional light?
It's how the shader looks at an angle.
Oh, okay, it's the shader.
Yeah. And a yellowish tint for the morning,
yeah,
suggesting.
that is where we haven't done it on the preset.
Yes, we need to make a new ambient copy.
Yes, I'm actually just going to make a copy of that, really, in all fairness. This is... Can I press duplicate?
Think so, yeah.
Yeah, that worked. And I'll rename this one. Rename. Spring.
Point separator, also this Twitch staff got a 4th emote. Alright, that makes sense.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, and a yellowish tint for the morning of the...
Yeah, that would just right.
Is it a 3D game? Yes, it is. It's a little game about a strawberry called Mr. Pips, who is being shaken violently from his bush, and he's trying to then go on an adventure to find his place in life, find his lost family, and meet some colorful character while he goes rafting, and yeah, it's like a little adventure. Nothing can go really that wrong. There's no death or losing state in the game.
Wasn't it the ambient color?
Yeah, you want that one to be more orangey. Because I noticed that all the tree stems were like purple, while you can see now they're turning orange, which is really nice.
Yes, which is what we want.
But you need to remove the second part of the gradient to really see the full effect.
Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot that. Can I just remove that?
Yeah, there you go. See, now it's too saturated.
Yeah, that's way too saturated. Okay, let's go back here.
Can I pick colors?
I'll let Chris do colors. He likes it.
Yeah, berry permadeath. No, we're not having any berry permadeath.
No berry permadeath.
Okay, I'm gonna go a bit more red. And a little, let's see. So that's white, that's black.
Oh gosh.
I'm just gonna orient myself. Too saturated. So if I go here, desaturate a bit. There, I think we have a nice color for the ambient. What is that, too orange? No, I like that. Yeah?
Yeah, I like that orange. It's not too much.
The sky's too blue.
Well, yeah, but I haven't changed the skybox color.
So if we go to the skybox color, and we look at this one.
Also picking colors. What is everybody up to? What are you doing? What are you working on?
Tell us how you're doing today and what's going on.
What's going on in the world?
Yes.
This is how we keep updated.
Are you having an inspirational Saturday morning? That looks cool, but it's not what we're going for.
That's not what we're going for. Damage.
I think here, I like that quite a bit.
Point separator. You got 1,490 hearts. Could you maybe try redeeming doggo treats from the leaderboard below? Thank you, says Z.
Somebody's thinking ahead. I love that. I need to do oops.
Oh, what did you do?
Oh no, I minimized everything. Oops.
Oh no.
I pressed Windows M instead of O. Okay, let's try this.
Yeah, let's try again.
Let's try again.
There you go. Okay, now we're back.
Little misclick on my behalf.
More doggos.
Yes, I need doggo emojis. I finished my C# tutorial. I need advanced C# tutorial. Jugaric. Any suggestions? You know, when you ask me, I'm going to suggest Game Dev TV because they do actually have quite advanced C# tutorials. And now that we
especially if you're doing for game dev though.
Yes.
But if you're doing just C#, then I don't know. Maybe Nick has some good suggestions. He's very good at C#.
But I found that I got my C# skills up to a good enough standard to do, game development using their courses, which is linked down below in our description on Twitch. And we have redeemed doggo cuddles, but we are via points.
Points.
And hello, Pelofi.
And we got also.
And thank you for following.
Thank you for the follow. Yeah, I don't think Point Separator quite got it. If you go down below in our description, or like in the Twitch description,
if you're on desktop.
If you're on desktop.
You can also do it on mobile, I think.
Then there's a little Krista can even show you.
In the about section. We can show it here.
There's
because I can't do it myself.
Krista doesn't have enough points.
I don't have enough points. I might be able to give points to myself though. I haven't tried that.
Give points.
This is Inception happening.
Arlene is on the top of the total messages leaderboard.
Yes, that is awesome.
So down here.
Here,
on the
store
left here.
items. You can redeem this, but I don't have enough points to redeem them, so...
Because Z got 404 and we're trying to figure out if they actually work or not. We don't know.
We don't know. And they haven't had any redeemed... You can also redeem Doggo Cuddle. I should probably reprice these items, but...
Yeah, probably.
And you guys can come with suggestions if you think they're too expensive.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Windows D also toggles all.
Yeah, I should probably press that button.
Yeah. I'm going to redeem some Doggo Cuddles because we have 500 points redeeming Doggo Cuddles.
Yes.
I think
and thank you for following Asya. Wow. That's awesome.
You need to go to dog count.
My mistake. I am on the UI. Yes, you are, Auline. You're top ranking and the chatting.
Snuggles? Yeah, treats. You have snuggles. Yeah. Life is hard. Can I have a belly snuggle? You don't want a belly snuggle? Yeah, you want a belly snuggle. I knew you wanted a belly snuggle.
Oh, that's a good doggy cuddle. Point separators asked, did it work? I didn't see anything come up. Okay, maybe I need to check somewhere else. So you've done it now. Sorry for everyone for this being like a halfway debug stream, but that's how it is when everything is new.
At least you get doggo cuddle.
That's strange. Why don't I see it? Do I have a filter on maybe? No, it says it's supposed to show everything. Huh. It says 404. I will refresh.
No.
Leaderboard, stream store.
Yeah.
Redemptions.
Where is this?
Because if I'm going to switch over to laptop camera. Here is my overview of redemptions. And this is then redemptions for today. I can even go further back in history and there's nothing here.
Okay. We will have to figure this out.
Yes.
Another time. It just says point separate, just redeem dog treats.
There it worked.
There it worked.
Yes.
There it worked.
Thank you so much.
There you go.
Point separator. Did you experience many problems with that? And if so, could it be anything we can solve?
True I need two. This is...
That is awesome.
You doggos are so lucky today. Why don't you want to come here for a treat? Come on. He starts running across the other.
Yeah, it's getting used to this new habit.
Getting used to this new habit. Okay. No jumping on top of each other now. Okay. You go. Me too.
Aww.
I love how you gave you 4, even though I was just giving you the 3 at the same time. It's pretty cute.
Probably the permission probably that gives a 4 or 4, right? Because you have to give access to stream elements for your Twitch or something and authorize it. Well, that's strange that you need to do that, but I guess it makes a bit of sense. But yeah. First time said 4-4, but after a refresh, it said success. Okay.
What do you got here?
I can investigate this a little bit. I take a note of what you guys are writing. Stream elements store 4-4 when authorizing.
There you go.
Then
there you
work after refresh.
Now we need to fix our colors, wasn't it?
Yeah, we were trying to do that, but I'm not caught up on chat anymore.
I thought you are now. You are now.
Yes, and what is happening here? No, he's checking his points.
He's just checking his points.
Okay, I just thought it was something else.
It's okay, Chris. It's okay.
Okay. Take a deep breather now. Do you like the sky? Is it too... Well,
I think it's too blue.
But you don't see that far, but you usually see this.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, I keep trying to lean back for something and there isn't anything there. I'm like, no.
I can do that, and we can try to adjust the skybox a little bit more.
Yeah, I think so.
So...
What do we have the options of?
Because if I go down, it makes it darker. Oh, there we go. Is that better?
I think that might be a bit better. That has more of the feel.
Yeah,
of
I don't
being
like
in
that, but I don't think you're going to see
You're
that.
going to see that. Unless you automatically turn the camera up.
Yeah. And then we have
Don't do that.
directional color of the sun. The sun color. I can maybe leave this on white.
Thank you, Point Separator, for gifting a tier 1 sub to Bizmaster Studios.
Woohoo!
You've now gifted 6 subs in this channel. Thank you so much.
Somebody's winning at the gifting. Must be on the top of the gifting leaderboard. I think there's the gifting leaderboard, something like that.
Yeah. You crazy Point Separator, Snuti.
Oh, that's awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And it's been really nice because we...
Our Lean and Bizmaster Studios has had a gift sub this stream.
Yeah.
How awesome is that? There's a gifting war? There was also a bit war earlier as well.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, it was Silverwind who wasn't...
Yeah.
Yes, it was you two competing. So it's now a gifting war and a bit war. So enough for today, says Point Separator.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Very much appreciated.
And everybody else who got a gift sub. You're so lucky.
Aww.
There are people in front of my window. If they're owls, it's fine, Arlene. If it's not owls,
you might want to
chase them away.
Yes.
Ask the owls to come and attack.
Do you like this fog color?
I live on the 5th floor. Are they washing your windows by any chance?
On a Saturday? Well, maybe they do Saturday window wash there.
Yeah, maybe.
I think
we don't have that. We don't have window washers here. We have to wash our windows ourselves.
Yeah, because Norwegians are handy. We got ladders and stuff.
I know, but in the UK, I'd have them always come.
Yeah, I think it's so strange. Like in the UK, you can even have window washers come and wash your house and then ask for payment afterwards. Like, I didn't ask for it.
Yeah.
And then they will demand it.
Yeah.
That's some strange stuff.
Only looking directly in the eyes. That's a good tip. Yes. People don't fly, so it must be owls.
Exactly, that's a good explanation.
They're fixing the wall, making noise.
All right.
That's not very nice.
Don't chase them off. Let them fix there and do their job, maybe.
Yeah, but they shouldn't be making noise. Should be quiet. It's a Saturday.
So you can see if I turn up the fog intensity, can I go past 1?
I don't know.
No, you can't.
You gotta do change the fog color, maybe.
But maybe we want to have it start at an earlier distance than 50 because this level is a bit like
it's supposed to be
smaller.
Like a misty morning, I feel.
Yeah, so we can start already at 10 distance.
Chris is my controller today. He's doing everything for me.
And then that's too much fog, isn't it? Or do you maybe want
No, you don't want too much fog.
What about that?
That's probably better. But how does it look when you start from where Mr. Pips is, for example?
Yeah, this is too blue down here.
Yeah, it's too blue.
But we can adjust. Okay, I'm going to turn the fog too high and then we turn it down, but I want to fix the colors.
Yes, agreed. Because we got the directional... I'm trying to find an armrest here and there's no armrest and I'm upset. Sure, it's not demolition. I hope it's not demolition.
Oh, that'd be bad.
No.
But
Then you can send the owls.
I don't see the noise thingy. Trying to look for
No,
this
don't.
one. What is it? Oh yeah, it is here. Maybe it's going a bit.
Oh, it's not.
You
maybe
see it?
it's... Yeah, it is going. It's just very slow. I can see it. You can see like.
Yeah. I wish you could turn up the intensity a bit higher on it. Oh, maybe that's the distance end.
End maybe.
Oh no, that's when it went off really far into the distance. Like, yeah.
Try adjusting the noise scale.
Yeah, but I want it to
Says
be
it.
big things. So the scale will be like, oh yeah. Yeah, maybe that helps a bit.
I have to go now. Have a wonderful weekend, you all.
Oh,
Thank
thank
you so much, Point Separator, for joining us and
It's
being
been
a part of
such a pleasant morning.
Yes. And thank you so much for the bits and the gift subs and everything. It's been so nice. Thank you for contributing so much. Thank
Yes.
you. And hope you have a really, really nice weekend.
All the best wishes to you. You know what? We got a best wishes button.
Do we have a best wishes button?
Yep. There we go. It goes a bit over chat though.
Yeah. Hope you have a lovely
But
time.
it's supposed to be used on this one.
Okay. Oh, okay.
So there's that. But that's for you, Point Separator. Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll continue on our color journey.
And don't eat any pips. this
Oh.
weekend.
I'm sorry we only stream once a week. Understand that, it's a long time to wait.
But is it worth it? That's the question. Oh, that looks really nice now. Feels like really misty morning with a bit of like,
But is that too blue?
That is too blue, I think. Is that? Oh yeah, because it's directional
so
color, isn't it? Yeah, the directional color looks really nice here.
But this is too blue.
It's too blue.
So we need to settle this color first, probably.
Den som väntar på något gott.
Yes. How does the saying go again?
Yeah.
Those who wait for something good will receive something good? I don't remember. Didn't sound right.
I can't remember like you say it. Yeah. I'm not sure. Väntar icke förgives.
There.
Yeah.
Do not wait for.
Those that wait for something good. Don't wait.
Doesn't wait in vain.
Doesn't wait in vain.
Yes, that.
Vain.
Thank you. Norwegian sayings
Vain.
coming into play. So we want probably to
And we translated just for everybody else.
50, and if you put it down to like there, probably a bit better.
Horror story in 2 frames.
I think
Oh no, we're gonna make a farming game now, Mr. Pips.
Mr. Pips is going mining, and Eileen is picking away at the pips.
I don't like Pips.
Oh.
I don't like Pips.
Yeah.
But I like Mr. Pips. I just don't like Pips and strawberries.
Claire would like to take the skin of strawberries when she eats them.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is
That's
this is why we're making a cute little strawberry.
But he has very pronounced pips though.
He does, but I don't want to eat him, so it's fine.
They even have their own meshes. So.
I really like quite a lot of games that have it that, if you see inside the character, you'll see like their brain and things like that.
Oh, there was one game quite recently which I've been working on, which has done that, where they have the brain.
I've wishlisted it on Steam and I've forgotten the name of it.
Yeah. Bisman Studio. Nay. Oh, that almost looked like the Nav logo. That's yeah, I don't know how to explain that. Sorry. Pip story. Oh, Eileen wrote the Pip story.
Oh, no spoilers now.
No spoilers here.
I didn't even know there was a boar emoji.
That is awesome.
Where are you finding all of these, Eileen? I'm actually gonna find out the name of it because it's bothering me. Oh, why have I got 4 new items in my inventory, my Steam inventory? I haven't been on Steam in a while. Where's the wish?
43. Should we go a little bit more red?
Yes.
No. 4. Okay, I think we nailed these colors now. Is it too? It might be too strong. I can turn down the intensity now. Fog intensity.
Going under.
Going under.
That's the game.
Okay, let's have a look at it.
I'm pretty sure it's that one.
Going under game.
I'm pretty sure it's that one. Where they had it where like you could see the brain inside.
Evelyn has found multiple pages of ASCII emotes. Right. So that's what she's having fun with.
Lots of eyes.
I
think it's this one. I'm pretty sure it's this one.
Yeah, it is this one game. When they go, the camera in this game goes up close to the character. You will see the character's brain inside of it.
Pretty sure it is, yeah.
Yeah, it was this one. I'm looking forward to playing this one.
That's also cool in the game.
Yeah. When is released for this, or is it released?
I don't know. It's coming in 2020.
All right.
It was on the Wholesome. Wasn't it on the Wholesome Games?
I don't know. Was it?
I think that's how I found it. No, maybe not. I don't know. I think I just found it on Twitter. I'm not sure. Who knows? But anyway.
That's really cool. Do you like the fog?
I do like the fog.
Yeah, because I think 64 intensity.
Can we play the game and see?
Yeah, you get a different feel for it than looking at this. Yeah.
We got Mr. Pip's call the other day a wholesome game. I was like,
oh yeah, that was a good compliment.
It was a really good compliment.
You know what? We should copy these settings to the menu.
We should do.
But you can play this level first and see how you feel about it.
Yes. Nice stylized GFX.
Yes.
Yes. What does GFX stand for?
Graphical effects.
Graphical effects.
And then yeah, okay. This scene needs some fixing.
Needs some fixing and tricks.
Oops.
I think we could almost put the intensity up a little bit more.
Yeah?
I think so. Because it's a little bit too little, I think.
Too little.
Too little.
More fog.
Need more fog. Or maybe that's why we got to this.
You know what GFX stands for? Grandpa Fox. Yes, that.
Grandpa Fox. Oh, I like foxes. What if you don't have a Grandpa Fox in your game?
Well, that's one of the struggles we have in our life. We don't have enough Grandpa Foxes in our game.
No, we need more Grandpa. I like how the fog affects Jammy there. I put it onto 1 just for lolsies.
It's really strange. Like, why are different characters affected by the fog differently? I mean, they use different shaders, but...
Yeah, probably that. Yeah, Jammy has a different shader, doesn't he?
Oh, you know what? It's not that.
What is it?
We need to tweak his brightness and darkness values on his toon shader.
Oh, yeah, we haven't done that. I actually set this to 1 and I kind of liked it. Intensity 1.
Yeah, that's good.
Because I also got the feel that the fact that it's snowing as well, that it kind of
feels... And the sun is coming to melt the snow away.
Yeah.
But the sky looks too saturated.
It does look too saturated. Let's go fixie.
And I noticed that the sky was changed in color by the fog color.
Yes.
Because we probably have said it that way, that they affect each other.
If you double click ambient spring, there you go.
So when I changed this one, which is the Unity fog.
Which one are you doing? Changing?
Oh, see here.
Oh.
That is strange.
Oh.
Then
we just need to add a Grandpa Fox. We do need to add a Grandpa Fox.
But it only
We've
does
got a boar. Maybe if I can just change the boar model to a fox, I'm sure we'll be fine, yeah. I'm a bit more to the right now. I was wondering what's strange.
Yeah, we can move things around a bit.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Okay. I need more cursor cable. There we go.
This is why I got my one, which is not cabled.
Yeah, lucky
you.
you.
It's nice. I got the funky, vertical mouse.
The ergonomic mouse?
The ergonomic vertical mouse from Logitech.
It's really nice.
It is, actually. I need to just reach it. Reach!
Nope.
No, it's not working. This one. It is one.
Z says there is a setting. Okay, we should probably go on the face cam to see that.
Yeah, it's a bit mucky, mine, but yeah. This is one
It's a really good cursor to use because you use your wrist in a much more comfortable way.
But it takes a week to get used to because it's not like a normal mouse, which is a bit irritating.
But yeah, Z says there's a setting for how this is affected. So we should probably look at that one, which is under...
Oh, isn't it
project settings? No, it's under lighting.
Lighting.
Obviously. Always forget where they are. Rendering,
really hard.
lighting settings.
I feel like lighting settings should be next to the project settings.
I feel like it should load. I loaded.
Yeah, loaded.
Okay, so environmental lighting, color.
Yeah. Fog down there.
Where's Skybox? Skybox, compression, intensity multiplier, bounces.
There's a sign for how much. No, on the atmospheric fog asset. How much the fog affects the Skybox. Okay, maybe we should have a look at it. How it's fogged there. Intensity. Oh.
Thank you, Z. I had no idea. That changes everything.
That was so neat. We've been like playing around with this the other day. I had no idea.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it all the way down. I'm gonna wait a second. We could probably leave it like that because we want this turned high, I think.
Yeah.
But the fog height 0.5. All right, so that's that.
Oh, okay.
And then okay, so there's like the core and the rest. But I think that feels more right.
Thank you, Z.
Yeah, that's so much better.
That looks way nicer.
Yeah, I think we got it.
Does everybody feel that this is like a spring-y, snowy
morning?
Maybe get rid of the lighting?
Not really, though.
Not really.
But close enough. In a stylized, funky way?
Yes.
Sure, it's fine. But we should do that for summer as well, then. Save. I saved.
Okay. Oh, that's why I was lagging out. Oh, this looks a bit better as well.
Should we fix him?
Jammy? Nobody fixes Jammy, right?
It's looking good.
Looking good. Looks more atmospheric. Yeah, we can fix jams. We can fix jams.
Okay.
If everybody wants to fix jams. Who wants to fix jams?
I want to fix jams. You should probably... Okay, that's fine. Do it this way. Oh, we found our way.
Well, at least we can actually see what's happening here, so... What has Jammy got on him, then?
It really lives up to its name, though. Atmospheric fog, yeah. That's
it does, yeah.
Probably a very impressive asset. So simplistic controls and so much power in those controls.
You know, we were a bit like concerned when we put it in. I was like, it's going to be way too much bloat. And it just like installs like that. Download was super fast as well. Everything was just.
You know another thing? So Unity's fog does not affect unlit meshes, which happens to be all our toon shaders on the characters. So characters off in the distance would be like shining through because the Unity fog doesn't affect it. But with this one, it does affect them.
Yeah.
So it looks much nicer.
This is the awesome Jammy.
Yep, I'll mess about with him until we get him right. But we need to move up close here. Whoa. Okay, maybe we should do this.
There you go.
Well, that's an interesting side effect. Okay, that's... I can't really see it without the...
Put the fog back on.
Well, see what's happening with the fog.
What the... This is zoom in again. It's probably because you pressed F.
It's to do with the camera's clipping plane. Okay, now it's fine.
Is it? Yeah, I guess so. It should be easy fix for the fog. Good, it isn't a problem anymore. Yeah?
There we see the problem. It's not a problem with him, but it's the render order. He is in after the transparency layer.
So because that's what we fixed on all the other ones.
We fixed on all the other ones. The fog is so you can see him here like.
Yeah, he disappears.
Yep.
Well, nobody liked Jammy anyway. He can disappear.
Looks a bit weird though.
Yeah, that has to do with the distance of the fog. It's basically a sphere. Okay.
I have no idea what we're talking about.
The sphere we saw.
Oh yeah.
The fog.
Yeah.
Might look different in play mode. So.
Awesome Jammy.
We need to change that one.
This one
scroll down.
Is supposed to be on 410.
But is that gonna? Didn't you need to do something last time? Otherwise, it just reset every single time, isn't it?
No, this is the actual one.
I need to go now. I need to listen to music.
All right.
Oh,
it's been so nice having you here, Aveline. And thank you for telling us lots of funky stories. See, that looks nice.
That looks nice, yeah.
Yeah. That's very fitting.
Like
See you around. Have a lovely weekend.
Have a lovely weekend, Aveline, and thank you for joining us once again. It's been so nice to see you.
I hope you have a productive time with your game.
Yes. Don't get distracted by the people outside your window.
Yeah. So, this is looking good.
I feel like the beginning part could be changed a bit, but we can probably get around to that.
Yeah.
Like,
maybe we should remove that background now. Can we take a look at how it looks with like if we were to disable that now that we got the
But
fog.
it's also, yeah. Yeah,
Like-
actually, that's probably a good idea. Try that.
That looks nicer.
That does look nicer.
Okay, we're taking that away.
We're taking that away. Chroma Cry says, wow.
Yeah, it is a bit wow.
Wow.
There we go. I really like how we set up our scene here. Is that even used? Oh yeah, it's used.
Will there be voice actors?
No.
No. It'll just be me going.
That's
That's
already
literally-
implemented.
Yeah, that's already implemented.
We just have we have mute audio turned on. And I got I can hear we got a headset on today.
Oh, okay.
So you can listen to it here.
Oh, okay.
And people will get actually desktop audio. See?
Is it turned on?
Yes.
Oh, it's turned on.
I turned it on before the stream and we can all listen to it without echo.
I don't see desktop audio. Oh yeah.
Let me know if you guys hear the birds tweeting. Obviously the music is from the
Yeah, from the main menu, but that's fine. We haven't added a new one.
Yes, we hear. That's awesome. Great sound effects.
Great sound effects.
Fabulous work. Yeah.
Pretty much, yeah.
We need to fix the story part
We need
though.
to fix the
But
story part.
that will happen off stream. I can't have the pressure of typing.
I think the sound needs a bit of EQ and should be good.
Yeah, it probably does.
Yeah.
Because we haven't done any EQ on it. It's just taken raw from like a library, and I do hear like the tweeting is a bit like. But Chroma Cry, do you have experience in working with game audio? Because I will happily take some tips on how you would EQ it. Because
Yeah.
I'm really noobish. I know some basic EQ, but
A bit out of sync, I think.
the syncing is probably because what comes first, the desktop audio or the image? Because I can set up delays. Because I set this desktop audio to go 140 milliseconds later.
It might be incorrect.
But it might also be the fact that the desktop capture needs to be delayed by 140 milliseconds.
Who knows?
So if you do this,
Because it was in sync here.
render delay 140. Yeah, I need to test out the delays. I can do that off stream.
Oh wow, good shot. And thank you for the follow, Tio Diaz.
Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's awesome.
We probably will have to have like another micro stream where we fix all these problems, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's looking so much better now.
It is. I like that. But you realize what time it is? It is
What?
10:30.
So it's food o'clock.
It's food o'clock.
You getting hungry, are you?
I'm getting hungry.
Oh. Yeah. It's been a really good time. We have been quite productive.
Oh yes, we fixed our final bug and made this. Oh, look at this. Pips, you're so cute.
Oh, our lovely little Pippy Pip.
And Bizmaster says, okay, time for me to go. Got peeps to see, food to eat, not strawberries, and fun to be had, hopefully. Have a blast today. Thank you, everyone, and great job with the bits gifts.
Oh, yeah.
War Pips.
And thank you so much for taking part and cheering and bitting and tipping.
And for joining us. It's
yes.
been really, really nice to have you here.
Absolutely.
And we've had a blast too.
Mm-hmm.
So I hope everybody else has been having a blast.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Don't say thank you to me. I say thank you to the
Thank
camera.
you to you guys.
Yeah.
Thank you to Claire.
What, me? I don't need to be thanked. I'm boring.
I'm just grateful.
I hope you have a great weekend, Bizmaster.
Yes. And by the way, we can now post up that we are planning to release a YouTube video probably by Monday or something around that time.
Because we recorded it yesterday and I finished the first edit, so
needs a bit more work. And so be sure to follow us over on YouTube if you don't. So
thanks, Douglas. Oh, you hear that, Winky? You hear that? Yeah.
And also we will be sharing our tips and trips on how we went about upgrading to Unity 2019.3.
Yes, so that anybody who wants to do the same
Yes.
won't do the same boo-boos we did.
Yep. We probably didn't cover everything, but quite a few things.
The important stuff, I think. Yes. So should we try and find somebody to raid today?
Oh,
Should raid.
now we're talking. Thanks for streams,
Thanks for
Sissy.
the stream,
Yeah.
There's lots of new emojis today. And
Yeah,
there's a
everybody's-
new Pikachu. We really need those Pip emojis back. Hopefully by next week.
They will be there by
Hopefully
next week.
Thank you for another great stream. See you next time.
Oh.
Thank you for joining us, Textbox North.
Yeah.
and Z and everybody. It's been so nice to have you. But we're going to be raiding somebody, so we're going to have a raid party. So don't leave just yet if you don't need to leave.
Who's ready for raid? Woohoo! Thing is, we don't see the viewer count on this one, so I don't see our viewers. But yeah, we're on 31 viewers.
Yeah, no, I see it on here.
You see it there?
You have it on the screen down there.
Oh yeah, there we have it.
You have
Okay,
it.
by dog cam.
Tenchi says, thanks for the stream. I managed to finish some art for a game jam. Oh, that is so awesome. We're so happy that we helped you to do that too. Is there any recommendations, guys, for anybody?
If anybody has any recommendations who we should
always
raid?
check the side. Oh, Joseph is online.
Joseph on.
What is he doing?
Should we check out what Joseph's up to today?
What is Joseph up to?
It's not that late because he's at 12 hours ahead of us. It's 10:30 at night.
He's doing some maps and maybe some pixie effects in RPG Maker. We should do that. I think we found our raider. Because we really enjoy Joseph's streams.
Yeah, he's a nice chap. I enjoy hanging out in his streams. It's been a little while.
Wow, Saturday morning for you guys. Yeah, dude, let's do it. Let's party, Snuti.
Okay, that's awesome.
Okay, we are going to raid, guys. So
Do this.
mute it maybe.
Right.
Yeah.
I say, all right, give me 2 minutes. There we go.
So we want to say, I'm going to change to the face one. Thank you so much to everybody who's been joining us today. It's been an absolutely awesome time, and we've had a lot of fun fixing bugs and
Feeling a bit floppy.
party boards, apparently.
Yes.
And thank you for all of the bits, the
Subs
and
gifts,
tips, and everything.
Yeah.
And we should do the where is it?
I don't have everything set up
No,
yet.
we had the titles.
This one.
No,
Yeah.
but
If you have any suggestion for today's stream title.
No. I was thinking more about the rolling credits.
Oh, we don't have credits.
We don't have credits.
It's on my to-do list.
Okay, we're gonna have credits.
I'm so sorry.
Time. So next time.
Yeah. Right. And it's so nice to hear, Tenchi. Thank you for hanging out here. That you managed to do some artwork for a game jam.
Yes.
Yeah, it'd be cool to see what jam you work on. So if you're sharing your work on Twitter, you're welcome to drop your Twitter links right now.
Yes.
So we can, figure out what you're up to and see what's going on. And also, I want to share the Game Dev Friends community once again. So if anybody wants to...
You just click Discord instead of...
Oops, I clicked the wrong button. Usually happens. Let's see.
What is Krista up to today?
Okay.
There you go.
We're working on it. There we go.
There you
Right. So let's now have a good time raiding Joseph and see what he's working on today.
Yes. And I hope you all have an absolutely smashing weekend doing lots of game dev or whatever you're doing, whether you're spending time with your family, etc. Remember to not eat any strawberry jam, please.
At least do it in a civilized way. Right.
And thank you so much, everybody.
Yeah.
We really appreciate it. And if you want to catch our upcoming devlog, we'll be releasing that next week.
Yes.
So finally getting back to doing that.
It'll be good. Right.
So
have a good one, guys. Let's brew it. All right, let's raid Joseph. We're starting in 10 seconds.
10
Raid
seconds.
is now commencing. So, have a good one. Until next time. Soon.
soon.